girl.
Oh.
Yeah, you're fine.
What a beautiful trip we had to say first last year.
Come in, my guy. Sorry. And why you gonna fall like this now? What's gonna happen? Two of them just fall for going at once. So you're not sorry. Stand up. What's it gonna fall on her like this now? Eh? When I can't fall like say on the bag of beans. Sorry. Sorry. No worry, we will go inside and go give on ourselves. Are you? What did they happen now? Are you okay?
Yes.
What is wrong?
I am.
What happened? Frank, wait now, I'm going to talk to him now. What's happened? Just go like... What happened for here just now? Teresa, where my pants? Bless you, the craze. Where my pants, I beg? I don't understand. Where my pants? I see you don't understand. Which kind of nonsense talk with that one? Give me go and bring my pants, I beg. What's that? I want to carry your dirty pants too. Oh, my pants are dirty. But I saw you wore it yesterday. Me? Yes. Wear your pants. Go and bring them. For dream or for physical? Now dream with it. It's like you're mad. Go and bring my. It's like you're mad though. You're very stupid. Don't let me change it for you this morning. I'm gonna change that for you now to say. What do they worry you now? I know they fear you. Not on to temptation. I know they fear you. Not change that for me. Every time you go change, they change. Not change that for me. See, if no be say, if no be one thing now, I go just kill. What now carry your pants too? I go give me my pants. I beg. Wait till me this. Oh, yeah, go bring up my pants. Go collect them now. That nonsense. I fear you. Go bring my pants. I beg. Don't bring my pants. I don't get your time. You see me. You know they come out here. You know go come. In fact, you know they move here. Go and bring my. I go. Behave yourself. I know they fear you. Behave yourself. I know they fear you. You be right. You're my senior sister. That's why I know they fear you. Go and bring my pants. You be temptation. See this morning why I wake up like this now, dressed to go find my daily bread. You know they go anywhere. I don't see and say the devil won't really use you. You know they go anywhere. And I go design your face. You know they go anywhere. I beg wear my pants. Turn your back, I beg, man. Wait till your own. Wait till your own. You want me can do that for? I pay you, sir. Wait till your own. If you touch me, I will kill you. If you touch me, hey, you go collect. You go collect. I will kill this girl. I will kill you. You won't kill me. I will kill you. I will wear my pants. I will kill you. Don't try me. Don't try me. Nemo. Nemo, that is the only thing you know how to do in this house. Sit, eat, sleep.
Mama, what is it now? Why are you raising your voice at me? What did I do wrong this time?
You did not do anything wrong. But as far as I can remember, what you did wrong is you being blind. That is what you have done wrong. Because if you were not blind, this farm, I'm going to go and fetch firewood. Left my shop to go and fetch firewood. You would have been the one going to fetch. I don't know where they are.
No. You know I did not create myself. I never made myself blind. If there's any way I could help, you tell me. I can try my best. Huh? Pico.
Mama, you know I did not create myself. I did not make myself blind. If there's any way I can help, you tell me, I will help.
As if I ask you to go and fetch firewood for me, you can go. Mbanga. Well,
No.
Go and fetch the firewood.
If there's any way I can help you, help.
Kije back I got tabuogi kasi na nege zipogogi. Because follow no nose.
Nem down come out. Mama. Bye bye.
Sandra, I am tired. I am tired. Everything about Teresa annoys me.
Amaka, you guys are sisters. You guys are sisters.
And so, the way she walks gets under my skin. She's arrogant. She's proud. She thinks she knows it all, but she's a fraud.
I'm sensing jealousy. Yeah.
Jealous for what? For what? Eh?
Haba.
Eh? That street fighter that will bring disgrace to our family. Stop that, I beg.
She's your sister.
Yeah, Anthony. Better talk to your God, so. Talk to your chi. Talk to your chi because he can't go home. I am really fed up. For crying out loud. Is it the only thing you know how to do in this whole life? Is to sit down, eat food, and sleep. Osaki meme.
Oh, Mama. I am trying my best. I do the things I know I need to do. Why are you being hard on me?
Nah, listen, let me tell you. That your best is not good enough. You are a burden. Mama is right. You are a burden.
Always acting like the world owes him something. What is wrong with you, Tony? Agabara.
I did not choose this life for myself. I didn't.
And we didn't choose to raise a liability either. Guys, you listen, a small thing they make me vex. I they get hot temper and you don't like me if you continue with your nonsense crocodile tears. In fact, Mama, I don't come up for here. This boy nonsense tears. If you make me jam me here for war.
Why are you all treating me like this?
Anthony, pray because I have prayed and I am tired of praying.
How are you doing today, my brother?
I am fine. I am fine. I am trying not to disappear.
Disappear quoi? Yeah. Tony, you are stronger than you know. If I'm in this your family, I would have lost it by now. So just calm down. You're really trying. Okay?
Kevin.
My friend.
I do not know who I have offended. I do not know who I have wronged.
So you need to stop all this. I have told you several times, you did not offend anybody. You just came out from the wrong family. Yes, it's obvious that nobody likes you here. That's the more reason why you need to calm down. No condition is permanent.
Why do they hate me so much?
Am I not here for you? I'm here for you.
What have I done wrong? Everybody hates me. Sometimes I just ask God.
Tony, can you just please stop this? Must you shed tears every now and then? Come on. Tony. Please, you need to calm down. I'm here for you, okay? This is the more reason why I will be checking up on you every now and then. I will still be here tomorrow.
It's okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
What are friends for?
Madam! Madam!
Oh, Vinny.
The biscuit you gave to me, I was not inside now. What type of biscuit is this? Look at it, everything it's not even strong again. I better change it for me and come up here.
Air has entered inside.
Yes, now.
Eh.
I bet you change it for me. Give me another one. I'm not even sure. Hey, nobody that around. But I'll give my money back now if you don't change it for me now.
Are you mad? Is something wrong with your head? What air have entered which biscuit?
Will I be lying to you again? I say, you test it yourself. Open it and test it.
Cause no support.
So you don't have to give my money back?
Give you your head.
Yeah, now chop your
Come
biscuit.
and collect
now.
it.
Chop your biscuit. I don't want it again.
Eh? Give it back. That's how I'm give an ancestors giving a share bang. What kind of a human being is this? You look like let me see you here. Or if you see anybody that resembles you.
This one. Now when you mount like prey mountain, see your chest go soon burst so. Just dey rise. It dey vex. Ogbeni, your vex no fit burn yam abeg, losing up. Ozo. I heard he beat up a man in public again. My darling, he was insulting an elderly woman. What was I supposed to do? Smile or clap for him?
Walk away. Don't you know how to do that?
Oh no.
Do you?
See, let me tell you. You think silence is strength? People do not understand silence. They understand fear. And I, Teresa, am not afraid.
Teresa, you don't think. You just react. Mina, you just react. Do you know how many people are laughing at you now?
I don't care. Let them laugh. I don't care. Listen, I prefer to be laughed at than being walked on. Anybody wey messed up go collect am for my hand woto. Wetin happen? I stand for justice. As you see me so na justice I dey stand for. I no dey find trouble o. But if you find my trouble, man bar, I go wogo your face.
You're not a hero. You're just loud and reckless.
And you're just afraid of becoming someone who matters. Guy, may they take am easy o, no dey enter me anyhow. May they try get some level of respect. You dey hear me so? They say charity begins at home. So me, my own training, if I dey give others, I go first start am with you for house there.
Teresa! Ha!
Kevin, I wish I can see. Believe me, I have a lot of things I would have been doing by now. I say, I am strong, bro.
My brother, you regain yourself.
I am strong, bro. I am very, very strong. It's just that I cannot see, so I am limited to some things.
You will regain your settlement.
Somebody is here.
It's Amaka now.
Ah.
Your
Amaka?
sister. It's Amaka.
Kevin, I have been meaning to ask you. Don't you have work to do at all? Like you've got no other business to do, always sitting with Tony. Is this your life now? Following him around like some lost puppy?
Amaka, what is wrong with me sitting with Tony? Is he not my friend?
Don't you have chores to do at home? Eh? Shouldn't you be helping your parents? Or doing something useful to yourself? Instead of wasting it with this animal and a flavor.
Amaka, what is it? Is it wrong for my friend to come and stay with me? If he has something doing, he is going to do it.
Amaka, you should be happy that I'm here sitting with your brother. This is your biological brother, your own blood brother we are talking about here. Why are people always maltreating him?
See, I am tired of seeing you waste your potential time with someone like him. I am tired. But I guess that is your choice.
Thank God you call it my time. And one more thing, I don't need approval from anybody before I sit with my friend. Yes. Whether you like it or not, I must be with him.
Hey, Kucholo there. Kucholo there. If men are talking, you keep quiet. Approval.
Amaka, is there any problem?
Is this boy not your biological brother?
Wait, you want to fight me?
No.
In my own house? Oguno. Eh? Are you raising shoulder for me? Come on, live here. Come.
Kevin.
Come on, live here.
If I slap you, you have a cut on your face.
I will you slap.
Kevin.
Hey, talk to this one. Kevin, talk to him. Look at this foolish boy.
Amaka, Kusini, you're in a now.
Kusigini, you're in my house raising shoulder for me. If I see you here again, you will hate yourself. I love ya.
Kevin.
And then go Morocco. Warn him, oh. I don't want to see that boy here again.
Has he left?
Mba, on here.
How far now?
Teresa.
So when they call me like this, anytime when you call me like this, I don't say wahala dey.
I heard what happened.
Let me guess. The news is all over the village already.
Of course. You gave them a show. What do you expect? But that's not why I'm here.
So why are you here?
Teresa. You know you're my friend. I won't deceive you.
Okay.
I see this fire inside you. And I'm scared it's going to burn you down one day.
It's better to burn than to freeze. At least I fight.
At what cost, Teresa? Everybody in your house thinks you're one spy away from madness. Is that what you want for yourself?
They don't understand. They think I enjoy fighting. But that's the only way I know I exist.
Teresa, you exist. Even when you're quiet.
You know, sometimes I wish I didn't have to prove that I'm visible.
Oga, I don't understand. What did you do for here? You came to buy something last week. On credit, oh. You begged me to give it to you. I gave it to you. You said you were going to pay the next week. Why didn't you pay?
Come. You better see you don't get respect, Abi. You don't get respect, Abi. Be very careful with me, oh.
See, you see old man when no one respect himself. Small pikin go insult him. You know, you don't they worry you for head. You don't go enter, in fact, you don't go buy anything today if you don't pay that money. I tell you, you must pay that money.
Me?
Yes.
Come. No only you dey owe.
Excuse me, please. What is
No only you dey owe.
Today you go.
Everybody why you for this one?
Go collect something now.
My go collect am.
No. What will happen? No, who invite you for here now?
Sit down.
Oga Copper, who invite you?
Don't you know you are a lady? Why are you screaming in public and even trying to fight a man?
How is it your business?
Answer mo.
No, how is this your business? Oh, because you wear this green and white for body. You call your con the buga. You say you go fit talk. I don't fear this your cap man first tell you. See how they gallivant around the village.
You see, I'm still when I talk.
Then you shut up. Give me my money, I beg.
Make I shut up, Abi.
Give me my money.
No, but it is not right. Can you just stop the screaming and the fighting?
Give me my money.
Now worry. Come. Be very, very careful with me, oh.
Oga, no put your mouth for this man, no face you. No just put your mouth. If you want pay for and pay for, no put your mouth for here.
This guy is crazy.
Now you be crazy there.
Crazy. I don't come back here again.
You go pay that. You go. Don't worry. I go come your house now. No worry. You go pay that money.
It is okay now.
It's okay what?
It is okay.
Come who you be? Who send you? They send you.
My name is Frank.
They pass, they go. I don't care.
Teresa, I don't understand you again. This is about the 5th time I've told you this. But you act as if you're not seeing who is standing in front of you. Why?
Now, Obinna, I don't understand you. I am not interested. I have told you this thing countless times. I don't want to do. Is it by force? No, is loving somebody, is it by force? Will you force me to love you? My answer is no. If a woman tells you no, don't you understand it?
So, why are you doing this? So, despite all the things I've been doing, the errands, the gifts, even the sweet palm wine I've been giving to your mom, all of these things hasn't made you feel that I love you. Give me your heart. I love you.
Can you hear yourself? What makes you think all of this caring will automatically give you access into a woman's heart? It's wounds, my dear. I know they do. I don't want to do. I beg. Make you know they embarrass me and embarrass yourself. In fact, no, they embarrass both of us. I'll clear you now. Now, I will come here, Joe.
So because I don't have a car, or maybe because my father is a native doctor, that's why you're turning me down. Kelvin, you see that Teresa of the girl? I swear to God, I will deal with her. I go deal with her waiting no good.
Girl, when you like, now you the shout say you will deal with her. Which one you will deal with her?
She insulted me. She makes me feel as if I'm not man enough. For that reason, I go deal with her.
Tell me where it is written that you will deal with anybody that insults you.
What thing concerning written and deal? I dey tell you say I go deal with person, they tell me where it's written. Keep your written and whatever. Me, fine.
Your cup of tea with that. What you concern me, my brother?
I go so mess that girl up, and mine go touch ground.
So you know her house now?
I don't tell you say me help me show her house. I just tell you as my man, no. So that if you hear tomorrow, you know go say I don't tell you.
Deal with her and start dealing.
No, I don't tell you.
I saw Obinna blocking your road like checkpoint. How boy know they hear what do?
Very shameless boy. I don't understand. Somebody told you no. Yet you're still around gallivanting like someone that lost direction. A ghost.
Yeah, to me, I think he really likes you. You know men now, they don't give up easily.
Like me. Or he wants to possess me. Oh, that one is not likeness, I beg you. Which kind of nonsense likeness with that one? Nah, nobody feel they can't they possess me, they police me anyhow. Nah, the one man. Oh, then they talk this way. That boy, you're not Jew man. A Jew man, no be love. Which kind of dirty love?
Teresa.
Onye?
Teresa, good afternoon. Teresa, good afternoon.
Obinna.
Don't be angry. I came here for something very important.
What is it? Hope there's no problem.
No, not at all. Actually, the youth leader, Chike, asked me to come and collect the contribution. According to him, he wants to make all the necessary arrangements and calculations and doesn't want to miss a thing. That's why I said I should come and get it from him.
Chike told you that?
Yes, of course. He wants to calculate everything before the next village meeting.
But he normally tells me stuff like this himself.
The thing is, he was very busy this morning. That's why he asked me to come and get the money for him. Yes. You know me too well now. You don't have any problem. I'll make sure not a kobo gets missing. Teresa, mama.
Here.
That's 500,000 naira.
Alright, I hope it's complete. No kobo less.
Which kind of dirty question be that one?
Alright, no problem. Chike will get it.
Hold on well, oh. Hold on well.
Trying to be hold on well. I'll be small picking.
Hold on well, oh. Come before I forget. Make sure you tell him to put it on record, oh. You should balance it. I don't want wahala.
You don't have a problem now. All record must be balanced and kept.
Hold the money well, oh.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What do you want to buy?
Nothing. I am here to see a lady. She's fair. I met her here yesterday. She's tall. She's light skinned.
My sister, Teresa. She insulted you, right?
No, not really. She did not really insult me. I just want to see her again. That's why I'm here.
She did not insult you. So you came back for more? So you came back for more for her bad mouth?
I just want to.
She's not around.
Okay.
Teresa, where the contribution money now?
I wanted to ask you the same thing.
We need to start preparing for the festival.
Sure. Yes, now. You know next week here.
Bring money come out, now they look us. Bring money come out.
You are watching
for the
TV.
money now.
I don't understand wetin they play for here. Wetin they solve now?
Bring money now they solve.
The same money wey Obinna come my house come collect from me.
Yeah, Obinna.
Wait. Are you mad? Hold on. Are you okay? Oh, it's now I realize that the igbo smoking is affecting your medulla oblongata. When did I come to your house? Wow! And on what occasion?
Yes.
I don't understand.
Obinna, Imuma, you that came to my house begging me to give you that money. You even told me thank you.
You gave me money, I told you thank you. Come, if your plan and game is to lie and disgrace me in this community, it will never work. Why did you give me money? Please bring the money.
I give this idiot money now. You can't meet me. Let me say, Chike send them. Because Chike dey in a hurry to go somewhere. So you can't send her to come collect the money. I even told him that he should tell Chike to put it on record to avoid problem. He's a crazy.
You're even calling me.
You give me money. You gave yourself. Behave yourself like this.
Show for everybody. I don't follow anybody to talk about things.
Iche, good morning, sir.
Good morning. This one you are looking very angry. Is anything the matter?
Iche, there's a problem. There's a serious problem. It's not that Ezemo's son, Obinna. He came to me in my house, Gogo. Took money from me, claiming Chike sent him. Only for him to deny me in front of the youth that I didn't give him any money. That is this guy, look me finish, they guy me.
This is serious. This is very serious. But calm down. Let me talk to some people so that we can know what to do about it. Do not take claws into your hands. Do not.
Iche, you better do something. Talk to some people because if nothing is done here, dead body go surplus. Dead body go surplus.
Teresa, there will be no dead body. Good, I will talk to some people. We will look into the matter this night.
You look me finish, they guy me.
Hey!
Me, Teresa, they guy me. Ha, Iche, do something, oh. You better do something.
I will do something.
I don't tell you finish.
Hey!
Mama, are you sure Teresa is saying the truth about that money?
You know your sister does not lie with serious matters as this one, Amaka.
Mama, if she's right, why does she always fight with people? Eh? If they want to kill her, they should go ahead and kill her. I will not even cry for her.
You will not cry for her.
I will not.
They should go ahead and kill her. What nonsense is this? Mama, you have not told me the wrong thing your sister have done to you in this house. Oh. Eh? Eh, boy, you get rose here. Obinna, you get mind. You get mind betraying me. You can't meet me, be like a better person. Sound so boldly just to dupe me. My baton that go fire you.
I don't understand. I know go sound bold before, fire you too. That thunder I go fire you too. I know go sound bold before, and they follow you play. See, now cho. Now cho you get no action. Nothing come out.
Just wait, make I report to your father first. Because you no go to beat small pikin without reporting to your parents wetin him do. When I don't tell your papa wetin you do finish, you go see my action. If I no beat you like small pikin, don't say my name no be Teresa.
I don't talk am before, I go still talk am again. You're threatening. Now water. Action na be blood, and na me get action. Shey you dey hear? Come on for here, you no go do nothing.
So you get mind.
Come, no stand me on.
Don't worry now. No worry, you go show yourself.
Now cho you get.
When time reach, you go show yourself.
Come for there.
I swear, if I not beat you, don't be me.
Now only for my back, you stand.
Leave me now.
Come on for there. I chop your money. Pay you. And then they return am. Come on for there. Come closer now. Hear me now. Come on. Come on there. You don't go do nothing. You know they do nothing. Pay you.
Ofife manowa Kaya sierra na Chijire jige folilivo Onye ya na chiyas
Ibrube Udi na mo Ogono Aya Oje no mba. Ito. Yeah. Oko si wa ati gba gba gbo Ori. Ala wa na ede.
More because they call you.
Tell you barge into my trial with this nonsense in your with slippers.
I bet what you concern me with this nonsense how you dey talk. Nobody think carry me come here. I don't call you, make I warn you. Talk to that your useless son, that thief of a son that you have. Tell him he has the mind to steal the money that belongs to the youth. As a must see, if you don't talk to your son, anything where you see, you go collect. Anything you see, you go collect.
You dare barge into my shrine with drugs and with this nonsense on your foot? How dare you?
I know they fear you. No, you know I know they. I see all this nonsense where they are, and all this decoration. I know they fear. Nothing fear happen to me. Me, I don't say make I come here now in peace. I don't want problems. I came here because I want you to talk to your son. Because when I go start, when Teresa go start, nobody go stop me. You dey hear me so? The villagers go gather me, you and your son. You better talk to him. I'm not joking. I know they joke with you. I swear, I know they joke with you. Nonsense. Teresa, are you mad? Teresa, answer me. Have you gone crazy? Do you wish yourself death? Why will you go to that SMS shrine?
I don't understand. Who won't kill me? That fraudster. You know, rich now. Mama, no, I want to ask you a question. If I don't fight for myself, who will? No, you want them to tarnish my image. They should destroy my name while I fold my hands and watch in fear? Really?
Teresa, come back again. Those people are not normal, oh. They are not normal. Obinna and his father, they don't fight empty-handed.
Mama, wait, oh. Bless you don't know begin when you born. As you look me finish now, as you begin a normal. No, as you look me now, be like who normal. Mama, my hair born, I don't get joy. You then try me, then go collect. You hear me so? If I for this way you talk now, I no go stop. I no dey fear anybody. Let's see who will fall first.
Teresa, ma kwam chinefe. Ama I don't know your God, oh, but tread with caution.
They're not rich.
Teresa, I'm not
they're not rich.
God you serve. But Teresa, tread with caution. Tread with caution, Teresa.
Ofife manowa Kaya sierra Chijire jige folilivo Onye ya na chiya soni sule Ifera mamme ya nowa Okwa mambo ya nowa
Good afternoon.
Afurange. What do I give you, Pico? Now, one time, I'm
Mark, can I assist you with what you're doing?
Help me. Assist me.
Yes, let me just help you.
What will you arrange you? Because I don't have money to pay you. I know that in this our community, this village, nobody does anything for free.
No, ma'am, but I am different. I can actually do it for free. I am a copper. I was posted here to serve. And I beg to be different. I am different. I will do it for you for free and I will not take money. Just want to help.
Are you sure? Are you very, very sure? Enu, Annie, and my witnesses. I don't have penny, not even coins. I don't have to pay.
I will do it for. I am offering my services to you for free.
They arrange you. Those things on the table, just that is the only thing remaining. You can see everything is almost arranged. Don't be ever come
I saw a food there. Can I bring it?
Of manana Ellen. Don't be ever.
Do you have broom? Maybe I can help to sweep. Like this. Okay. Now if I go to Teresa, I'm going to start with hello, hi. Oh, no. That's too common. She's going to insult me. Okay. I love your smile. Your smile is so gorgeous. That's not going to work. Okay, how about I just go to Teresa and I say, I admire your strength. You are so strong. So strong like a man. I think this is respectful. She's going to find it respectful. And she's going to give me her attention. Is it? Oh God, Teresa, what have you done to me? Teresa. Teresa. Okay,
Oh, Mr. Copper himself.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Well done. Hope you're fine.
I'm fine, as you can see.
Obviously.
So what do you want?
Well, nothing much. I just want to get something small.
Something small for yourself. So why don't you get something big, like my heart?
Yes.
Say something now.
Yeah. It's okay. Fine. Thank you.
Okay. Talk now.
Maybe I will come back later.
Oh, stop it. Please. Look at me now. I'm not set.
Yes. That's why I said let me come later. Okay. See you. Bye.
The God of blind can never forsake you. You know God. The God of blind can never forsake you.
Sandra, you need to see how this copper boy they toast me. Every minute he's in my mother's shop. Buying biscuits, buying sweets, buying everything. Offering to sweep.
Sweep.
Ha! I did tell you.
Like sweep.
This
is serious. But how sure are you that he is coming for?
I don't understand. I beg forget that thing. That boy they made for me like ice cream on that sun. I did tell you now.
Melt.
He they made Hey.
This is serious.
Omo, love, that boy is too sweet. That boy is too sweet.
Can never forsake you. You know God. Not your gebu. Akwambochi etiwa. Fichanya gebezina inuga. Waporisi yebezina. Waporisi yebezina. Yebezina. Waporisi yebezina.
Hi. Your name is Teresa, right?
You again? Yes. What's happened?
Nothing. I just came to see you.
What's he want to see me for?
You know, I don't have many friends around, and I came to you to talk to you if you can be my friend.
Me? Be friends with you?
Close friend.
Now you know serious. Come off my shop before I use this broom sweep your leg. Come off for here.
Just give me.
Come off for here, Nana, by force.
I don't mean any harm.
Don't you have friends? Go and be with your friends. I don't want to be your friend.
The truth is, I don't have many friends, and that is why I'm here to talk to you.
And I said no. Leave here before I sweep you, join you.
Okay, I'm leaving.
You see, young guy, like I was telling you, I love Teresa so much, and I really do want her.
Is it the Teresa I know you're talking about? Listen, I will advise you stay away from that girl. Many guys in this community have tried toasting her, and it did not even end well. Do you know the funny part? This guy even beat some of them up.
You should know that I am different, and my case is going to end differently.
You know, our people these days are the stubborn flight, follow the cops to the grave. Listen, this girl is a man on her own. I will advise you to stay away from this girl. If you are talking about Amaka, then I will say you should just find Amaka small 10k. And you will have the total package. Yes, sir.
I think I will wasted my time talking to you concerning Teresa. I don't need your advice. I don't.
Don't say I did not warn you. Or you end up, I'll be the one to press on your back.
Give your advice to yourself.
Sandra, I am not happy. I'm very, very angry. Like this, na any bus come with both from me. Like I'm very, very angry.
Calm down. What exactly is
it not that useless Cletus? Cletus? Yes, he's owing me 20k and he has refused to pay me. Yes.
Maka, when did you start lending people money? Abi, did you open any Lapo organization without letting me know?
Leave that one, leave that talk, I beg. I did business with him and he refused to pay me.
Business? What business exactly are you talking about?
What kind of nonsense question is all this? Stop asking me all these questions. No, they put me for long talk, I beg. I don't tell you he's owing me 20k. Wetin concern you how the money came, I beg. Stop it.
Wetin concern me?
Wetin concern you?
Wetin concern me, Amaka? So why are you not telling me?
Are you not my friend?
Okay, I'm your friend.
Yes, now.
But you can't tell me the business you did.
What will I tell you? Do you want to go and collect the money from
Why will you tell me?
I beg you, leave that.
Oh yeah, don't tell me anything again, please.
Can never forsake you, Inugo. Nanyo geko gebu, akwambochi etiwa. Fichanya gebu.
Gavin.
Get far now.
I dey fine. How you doing now?
Good afternoon, Papa. Papa Sean. I greet you.
Thank you so much. You don't see him now. I hope you are fine too.
I'm fine. Oh.
Where did they go for this hot sun? What thing happened?
I'm going to see my friend Tony. Hope there's no problem.
No, no problem at all. Somehow I was waiting for you.
Why?
I would like you to do something for me. Please, give this to Teresa, Tony's sister. And please, do not open it. It is confidential.
I should give this to Teresa.
Yes, Tony's sister, the place you are going to.
I should not open it.
Don't open it.
Transport.
Huh?
Transport. You get free thing for this country. Free thing not do this country, my brother. Transport now.
Kevin, transportation. I should transport you to the place you were trekking to.
My brother, give me the money. Let me know whether I want to use and buy anything. Let me know whether I want that bike. Okay, take your envelope back.
So you can't help me?
There is no free thing in this country. Now my mama born you, where I go help you? Are you taking it or you are giving me the money? Transport.
Okay.
Ah.
Take.
I'm not going to open now. So don't give me this 1K now. Any kid don't show up for my marriage master this evening. How for you? I'm not going to open now, no worry.
Don't open it.
Kaka. Tete. Good news don't lap.
What's happen?
Get letter from Frank.
From who?
Frank. Yes, who?
Oh, I read and make a ear.
They make a yarn for you. Draw your ear. You cannot go read that.
Draw ear for it.
Okay. To the woman of my dream, the shimmering light of the sea, the way of the sun, and the only Achalugo that I know. Ha! Permit me to tell you that I have lost my heart because it has been you that stole it from me. I don't want this letter to be very serious and long, but just know that you are the water in my well. Without you, I cannot be well. I love you, my angel. Please give me a chance. A kisses from me to you. You even had kiss, oh.
Hey. Teresa, you have really suffered. So that's nonsense, Frank boy. It's like he has forgotten what he came to this village to do. He doesn't want to focus.
None of my business, my sister.
I see me.
Tape now.
I don't understand. You won't put out of my mouth. Behave yourself.
Tony, how far now?
I'm fine. Sister?
Okay.
Who owns the letter?
It's from Frank. From Frank to your sister, Teresa.
Frank. Sister? This letter is wonderful.
Oh.
Even me, as I was listening, I loved the letter. Any man that will sit down to pen such a letter to a woman, that man must be in love.
Hey, one
I
name.
think you should think about it.
Tony,
Yes, sister?
I think this is the best thing you've said since I know you.
Hey,
Your head did there, your brain, all you did your head.
sister, you know I am always saying the truth.
You know what? Come and sit with your sister. Oh, now. Come and sit down. Good boy.
Achalugo.
Sister. Oga, leave me, abeg.
Stop, ma.
Why they owe me now?
Then stop.
I go enter you now. Abeg, leave me, Shade.
It's not your blood, bro.
Leave me. Nah,
Stop,
Stop, Put the room, no? You dey put my matter again.
Ebezina mwa polisi, ebezina vijana mirigi, vijana.
Ami baby, Ami inana. Kedu kanu?
Which one is Ami baby? Ami inana. You and who is doing that one? You and who is shaking like this? Eh? What's the meaning of that?
I should not greet you again.
Is this see finish or what? Talk. Why are you stopping me?
Amaka.
What is your problem?
Who's bringing all these ones? So I should not say hi to my friend's sister again. Eh? Why do you like quarrel? Why do you like quarrel?
If you don't know, we are quarreling. We are quarreling. Haven't you heard? A friend of a thief is a thief. And a friend of a troublemaker is also a troublemaker. You don't know?
The same people that say the friend of a rich man is not a rich man, no. But your sister is not a troublemaker now.
So you want to tell me about my sister? Eh, what? You want to tell me, you want to educate me about my sister? One day, she's going to beat you blue and black. Okay, Tigi, I came for this your red purple. Okay, Tigi, your black. A friend of a... Don't stop, don't stop me again.
Sorry.
Nyala, you call the Chakomaka.
Change, oh. Change, oh.
Ofife manowa Kaya sierra na Chijire jige folilibo Onya na chiyaso.
So my guy, how far now?
How do?
So how did it go?
How did what go?
I gave you an envelope the other day to give to Teresa. And you even took 1,000 naira from me for transportation. So how did it go? What was it like?
My brother, from my observation, she liked it. Mr. Loverboy.
I knew it. I knew she was going to love it. So tell me, how was her reaction? Like while reading the note? Tell me.
My brother, you need to see how that girl has been laying curse on you. Yes, so there is nothing she didn't say. I will even advise you to look for a pastor that will just go and meet the pastor for cleansing. Because if that causes affects you, my brother, you are gone now. She almost slapped me, oh. Teresa, she almost slapped me now. Now you the fine girl now. Ramsey, no, I love her boy.
Are you sure about this?
100% sure now. I want down there, I don't go for anything now.
Obinna, give what it in my mind, give what it they disturb me. But I don't want to bring it up that way, you know. But as a youth leader, do you take the money?
Wait. I have been thinking you want to make a confession. Is there anything bothering you? Spit it. I'm here.
Now, do you take the money?
I beg your pardon. Take which money? Oh, so this is it. So finally you've joined these low lives that are accusing me of a crime I did not commit. No,
Obinna.
Chike, you of all people. You should know me better.
If there is nothing to hide, you should come and clear your name before it's too late.
Clear what name? Before, I don't understand. So, you are accusing me of a crime I did not commit, right? No problem. I take it that you've actually joined forces with those low lives to accuse me of a crime I did not commit. No wahala. How can you do this? Even if other people are putting it to you that I took that money, would you believe them? Would you believe them that I, Obinna, took that money? No, you don't fall my hand. Ha!
Obinna.
You leader, you fall my hand.
Obinna. You better come and clear your name.
And I at least expected you to do a thing like this. You fall my hand. Just imagine.
Ofife manowa Kaya Sierra Chijire jige folilibo
Kelechuku.
How far now?
Ayelo, what's the way now?
Where did you go?
I want to show my guy side for there. Hey, you think so?
Yeah.
See, like Obinna know this community again. I sure say that guy go don run, go don japa.
That one? Obinna. He's a real 419. That 419. That guy is a real 419. In capital letter.
You see the guy?
I saw him yesterday. I saw him at the park. I thought he came for an errand. I didn't know he was on a race.
Okay, probably because of that money now.
Hey.
I suspect that guy since.
I didn't know he was running.
See if they but anyhow, Bisha, man reach man before my guy go come out, man check up on.
No wahala.
We go see now.
Okay.
I greet you.
No wahala, now we go see.
I'll call track you later.
No wahala, track her.
Onyanya nachi ya soni sule Ifera mamne ya noa Okwa mambo ya noa
Bam. Oh.
Hey. How are you? Good afternoon.
I am fine, and you?
I'm good though. Where have you been?
Oh, you are talking about my absence. I have been very busy with work. Yes, that is why you didn't see me in your shop quite often again.
That means you can disappear without even saying one goodbye. Eh? Mr. Youth Copper. It's not good though.
It's fine, thank you.
You will not pay me. I'll give you free of charge.
No, I would have to pay. I think that is the right thing to do.
No. You be handsome man. Let me just give you. Maybe next time you pay me.
But I have money, so
It's
just let me pay.
okay, I know what you want. Calm down. Give you all these things. You need it. You need them. Is this one okay?
No. I
Please, can you help me and talk to your brother? Please. Is he not seeing me? Am I not beautiful enough?
Yeah, Amaka. You know that Frank is sometimes very stubborn. Yeah? The fact that it's not easy to convince Frank. All I will just say is you just have to calm down. I will see what I can do.
Are you sure?
Just calm down, yeah? I know you're a fine girl. Don't worry. I will try to discuss
You
with him.
just said I'm a fine girl, but he's not seeing me like that.
Amaka, you and I know that you are beautiful. Don't worry. I will talk to her.
Okay. No problem.
Okay.
Thank you. Are you sure?
Don't worry, Amaka.
Okay.
I want to check on something.
Okay. No problem.
Vijana gebezina inuga Wakorisi gebezina
Can you imagine that copper guy following me up and down like flies that are chasing mango?
Please, he should be happy. It shows he's consistent.
What kind of nonsense consistency is that? Consistent nuisance. Nah, this boy get mine, writes me love letter. Maba.
You don't mean it.
I did tell you.
It's a lie.
The guy no get OT. No orientation.
But babe, to me, I will say you should reconsider. See, let me tell you, this period to see men that are humble, this period now by serious connection. He writes you love letter.
Nah, this love upon the people.
Oh, love, what it? You know, so all I can see here is love. Love.
Teresa, I understand that sometimes you are very very stubborn. Yes. But I still insist that you give me a chance that we become friends.
Just friends and nothing more.
I promise, just friends, nothing more.
If you fuck up, I'll treat your fuck up.
Just friends.
Uncle Joe, Uncle no they do like Jew man. Uncle the thing way.
Okay, I agree.
So friends.
Friendship.
Give me water. Give me water.
How many?
One.
Cold one or room temperature?
Cool. Come on, now.
I go to well done. No, give me this cap.
Come and take it.
What is it?
Now come and take it, sir.
I give it to me.
No. Catch me.
Give me the cap. I want to look as beautiful as you.
No.
Don't delay.
No.
I'll grab
Come
you.
and take it, sir.
I will catch you.
Can't.
What is it?
You can't. Come on.
Will it? I give it to me now.
So now you won.
I did. I asked you to give it to me peacefully.
It's not
You
fine on
refused.
you. You look like a wheelbarrow pusher.
Like a wheelbarrow pusher. Just that. Let me push you now.
It's for me.
You be my wheelbarrow. And I will push you. Alright?
Oh my God.
So you thought you were going to win, huh?
You dream.
You thought you were going to run away from me and I won't catch you.
I've not eaten, that's why. If not, for no catch me.
Are you hungry? I can get you food.
No.
Are you sure? So I won. So I won, right?
No. I just let you to win so that it will not look as if I'm wicked.
What do you mean wicked? A man is always a man and you are a woman even though you want to be or behave like a man.
I'm both.
You are both. No. To me you are one.
You know, sometimes when you're chasing a child or you're trying to you're doing anything with a child, you come. Wait.
If you are doubting me, let's try it one more time. Ify, wait for me now. Ify, wait for me now. Ify, wait.
Okay, now what is it? What is it?
Ify, calm down. But one more again. You know you are a very pretty girl, and everybody in this village like you, especially Moabu Kenna. Yeah, I love you from the bottom of my heart, and I've been waiting for you to see this opportunity. How much I love you, and I won't marry you.
You know the shame. You know the shame. Like, have you even looked at me? This Celine Dion where they here. Now you dey yarn all this rubbish for? You dey lick.
If you put your more now, see me now, I'm not a handsome boy. Forget to go wow, money day. Man on it when I find girl, when I don't make that money, seize that money, when I go sit here, I go make this money and get take care of you. In fact,
I don't blame you. It's not your fault, oh. If you say I do for that my uncle, where we come village, you won't carry me go city. All this is like for the 10 me have. I still finish now over familiarity. We don't they shite it. I don't blame you.
Thank God. Thank God it don't happen. You know, because of me, now God just walking like that. He's a miracle working God. The Cobia has here the pen. You see, as you did, so you know fine girl. Me, I like you. If you do more.
Stay there. No come on.
Chalo.
No, cause I go come on your teeth just now.
No try am.
But wait, is it because I'm not rich? Or makana batabero mego? And this easy.
Ekena, let this be the first and the last day you will ever stop me on the road to utter rubbish. Did you hear me? Don't try it next time.
If you look better,
idiot.
If you
come.
Hey, the good machine. Nah, I know one day you must agree. If you wait,
stay away from Frank. He's my man, not yours.
Lele, who be your man? Eh? Man will not even look your face. Someone that doesn't even know if you exist, they crazy.
Teresa, I swear with my life, if you don't stay away from Frank, you will see the other side of me.
Shut up your mouth, you no go fit cough. See, before, I wanted to just make it to be like a platonic friendship, no strings attached. But there is nonsense where you just yam now. I show now, you Romeo and Juliet things. Maba, I go date am.
Teresa,
you no go fit cough.
Teresa,
I go
you are daring me. You are daring me.
What you go do? You no go fit do anything. I go date am, your eye go clear. You dey craze. Can't I have peace in this house? Ona mama nguwu mmiri to buiko. Mama, no na hey! Shut up. Eh? I cannot drink water and keep my cup. Can you just shut up? Meche gonugi. Anamaju. Can't I drink water and keep my cup? If you don't argue about this, you argue about that. Now is not frank argument. Eh, kwa? Anamajugi. Amaka. Amaka. This nonsense girl. Will you shut up? Will you shut up? I said shut up. I want that. I'll see this small rat. I'm asking you, Amaka. They ask me about
now. Go sit down.
I'm not
blaming you.
Wait. Amaka. Mama. Amaka.
Frank, you're wicked. You are two-faced. Like, you made me think you loved me.
Amaka, what is all these accusations for? I made you feel like I loved you? How? When? Where?
Are you serious?
Amaka, I have never confessed my feelings to you. I have never... Amaka, what are you talking about?
Like, you don't love me. Am I not beautiful? Am I not good enough for you?
Amaka, I have never confessed my feelings to you, and I do not like these accusations. I have always made my intentions very clear to Teresa. So what is all these accusations for? Amaka, from where? How? How?
You love me. You love me.
Amaka, I don't know what you are talking about. I have... What is this now?
Frank, I can see it in your eyes. You love me.
Amaka, I don't know what you're talking about. Please, I was on my way home. I don't know
Frank.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Ah, that guy is a manipulator, man. Hey! So that he made it look so urgent, as if Chike really sent him. And I didn't even think twice.
That's the problem. At least you should have thought twice. You know, can't act like saying that you.
I don't know. This guy play me. I don't even think twice at all. Teresa, don't F up.
Chineke mere mobi ebere, mere mobi ebere, mere mobi ebere o. Eze mere mo. Who is that? Amaka?
What is it?
I'm here.
Say what you want to say and stop calling Ami. What is Ami?
There is something I said I was going to talk to you about.
Which is?
It concerns your conversation with Mama last night. I overheard everything about the youth money. Amaka, you were accusing Teresa wrongly. Yes. You know very well that Teresa will not do such a thing. She will never take what does not belong to her.
No, what? How would you know, Tony? Eh? You have always been blind to her flaws, literally and otherwise. Kekigesi Amazi.
Amaka.
How will you know?
Amaka, I do not need eyes to know the truth. They say the truth can never be hidden. All we need is our sense. And I feel you are lacking that.
Do you know you just insulted me?
I am not trying to insult
Imani
you.
parem keta. Tony, Imani parem keta. That means I don't have sense.
I don't mean it that
I don't have sense now. You that have sense. What do you want me to do?
I don't mean it that way. I'm only trying to say that what you said about...
Mind your tongue. Mind your tongue. Respect yourself. I'm not asking sense. Do you have sense? Do you have sense?
You know that day you were just yeah, come on. I beg you, give that one first.
I don't know if you're thinking what I'm thinking.
What I think?
The thing with Obinna in this village is beginning to smell. It's beginning to stink. We can no longer keep quiet. And the villagers, the youth, everybody is asking questions.
Okodo, be careful. That boy is Ezemo's son. Some doors are better left unopened.
Yes. So because he's Ezemo's son, we should now be afraid of him.
No, but just that I choose my battle wisely. Don't worry.
I'm ashamed of you.
You take care of it.
I'm ashamed of you.
Say that, Amo.
Yeah? I'm ashamed of you, Chike.
Take care.
Where that hungry man dey? Ezemo! Where you dey now? Make you show yourself. If you get mind, show yourself. You and that your thief of a son, make una show on yourself. Nonsense. Where you dey? Where you dey hide? Come out, come face me. I dey here. Okay. No wahala now, no problem. I don't see and say as word no do you. Action go speak like that. Uba, this is nonsense. After this nonsense crap. Una dey mad. Una dey craze for head here. Nonsense. And me and I want try. It's yours. Nonsense. If I see this man today, it's yours. You go say my name na Teresa. I don't fear anybody. I don't fear man. I don't fear God. I say can't pay. It's yours. Anything happen, make it happen. It's yours.
Don't give me that. What have you done?
What did I do?
What did you do?
Tell me, Nana, you go tell me what I do.
You scattered the shrine?
That one. Listen, I went to look for that fraudster. I didn't see him. He gets luck. But no problem. I left a message for him so that he will feel our anger.
Teresa!
You want to bring curse upon yourself? Which dirty curse with that? See, if the gods know what they do, now him they go punish, not be me. I got a scammer, better scammer. See, he get locks and no meet and there. That is I for flog and 2 by 2, Use the face scrub ground.
You're going mad.
Not today.
You're losing it.
It is our way. I know where right from time. I know normal. I know with today something. Now all gist. Now why you keep your face like this? Now free that talk, I beg. Now when you talk that thing, I beg. Talk that thing.
I think you're going mad now. You're losing it.
Anything you want to talk.
Teresa, Ichibu, do you want to kill me? Is this how you want to pay me for giving birth to you and raising you to this age?
Nah, Mama, nobody is dying now. Organic itself. You see that shrine? That is a scam. Better scam like this. Reason I'm now. If to say that shrine get power, if I don't kill Obina and his papa, yes, he would have killed Obina and his father. That's a correct scam.
Teresa, Ma, did you cut the clothes in the shrine?
I no enter. I didn't enter. I just go there, go destroy those decorations. It's not like I burnt it.
You call those things decoration, Teresa?
Mama, decoration be that now. Waiting again.
Hey!
Nah, wow.
Teresa, what did I do wrong to give birth to you people? Inayage, Naya Amaka. Your brother is there, blind. Teresa, what did I do wrong?
Mama, what's happen now? What's happen? I keep person. I know they talk like that. That's in a scam. I tell you, that's scam.
Did you keep person? Do you know you have committed what is more than killing? Hey!
Nothing they happen, Mama. Just back that cap. It's nothing they happen.
Hey.
Amaka, how are you?
I'm fine.
This is why I'm smiling.
My youth leader.
Afana, so have you spoken to your sister? Because her behavior is not acceptable.
No, I did not. Sometimes I wonder if she's my sister.
Why I'm telling you all this is now because she's making things worse with her behavior. As I'm talking to you now, the elders are not happy with her. So you better go home and talk to her.
Whatever you want to do her, you should go ahead. If you want to kill her, if the elders want to kill her, they should go ahead and kill her. You should handle her. It's not my business.
Amaka, talk to your sister.
I cannot.
Okay.
A goat for peace offering. That is what you have to sacrifice to atone for your daughter's sacrilege. The sacrilege she committed here.
Hey. I will provide the goat for the sacrifice. Manabiko, don't harm my child.
Mama, it's a guinea. No, what did you just say? You will buy goats and give to who? This 419 or Mame? It's not going to happen. These people, they are fake. You're not buying any goats. Oh, Mama. Mama, stop. Now can you allow this man? He's hungry. He wants to lick pepper soup and yam. He's telling you to bring goats. Does he even know? Can he even afford a goat? No, can he? Or is it this stick that will eat the goat?
What is wrong with you, Teresa? What is wrong with you?
The dog that is marked for death does not perceive the other offices.
You are that dog. You say you are that dog. Nonsense.
He whom the gods want to kill, they first make mad.
As you do like this, your brain no man.
Get out of my shrine.
Guy, you don't mad. When they beg anything, they tell you no goats they come here. No goats they come here.
People don't take her words to heart. She's only with a child. Don't harm her. I will bring the goat. Remember you said if you don't get it from her, you get it from me. Obiko. Namorongwa ge wete Obiko. Oh.
Ezemo, honestly, I don't like her. She's very arrogant, stubborn, always dragging my family into problem. See, Ezemo, if you want to kill her, go ahead and do it.
Don't worry, my daughter. Don't bother yourself. By the time we are done with this sacrifice issues, she will not trouble anyone anymore. I assure you of that.
Ezemo.
Don't worry.
Look, you wouldn't have done what you did. If you went there and you did not meet him, you would have left.
Left to where? No, where I want left to go. That boy took our contribution money to the city. 500,000 naira. Not be small money be that too. That money if he gets one plot of land for this village. Ha!
Look, I understand how you feel. I can feel your plight. But I am just concerned. I do not want to see you hurt.
Hurt? Mama, Teresa, nobody feel hurt me for this video. No, they don't burn that person where. Be it human being or man, mortal, immortal, nobody feel do me anything. My only anger now, that stupid man will make I give him goat. Can you imagine? But he go old, he go grow white beard, but that goat, you know, smell him. If I give him that goat, man, coy.
A goat?
Me, goat. You go wait, now you mad way. What's in his son get mind, do me. This boy come my house here, begged me for that money that he was sent by the youth leader, only for him to dupe me. Me, Teresa, person use me shine, guy. Hey! I never even recover say person feel whine me like that. Like the thing they vex me. I'm so fucking angry. I'm very angry.
I am just concerned about your well-being. I don't want to see you hurt.
Thank you for your concern. I appreciate it.
Mama, is it true that once the goat is provided, everything will settle down?
That is what the SMO said though. He said once the goat is provided, everything will be settled. But if for Teresa will not kill me. Teresa have refused me to go and buy the goat. She went to the extent of seizing all the money I've sold in these recent times.
Okay, Mama, I will provide the money for the goat so that everything can be settled once and for all.
Iminia.
Yes.
You mean it?
I do.
Hey. Let me quickly lock up the shop. So
it's okay, okay.
You're the same blood, you're the same love. Friends who change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You're the same blood, you're the same, you're the same love, you're the same. Friends who change.
Nonsense girl. If only she knows how much I hate her, she will regret why she has this sister.
No need to fight each other. Oh, you are the same.
Ezemo, just as you instructed, who have brought the goat. Manabiko, don't harm my.
Yes, Ezemo, please forgive her. Please, we are begging.
The gods have seen your hearts. They accept your offer. But you must warn her. Warn her never to repeat what she did. Otherwise, I shall strike her with Togugu.
I promise I'll warn her. Biko, you don't have to strike her with anything. Not even Ogugu, not Amadio. I'll warn her, personally handle her myself. Biko.
You may leave.
Is it atarodo pepper or yellow pepper? Which one?
Teresa, stop this now. Teresa, stop this. This is a
What is
serious
it?
matter.
What is it? What is it? Eh? Mama, what is this your pikin? She wanted to kill me. That is this girl wanted to kill me today. How? Man, the good Lord that I served saved me.
Sit down, go. Sit down.
Do you know that? Yes. The water that she used in bathing was supposed to be my water. Yes, I saw this girl putting pepper into my bathing water. I kept quiet though. I just pour like this. Come Chereya, let me wait for her to finish her mischievous attitude. And then I swapped the water. She used the peppered one and I used the normal one.
Teresa! What is it? Shut up! After the stress of going to the market to buy goats, Frank and I to take it to the shrine, I come here to meet another wahala. What is it now?
Mama,
what is it? Oh yeah, you.
Frank.
And you that will never respect yourself.
Teresa, go to punish you.
Frank, answer me now. You buy goats?
Yes, I bought a goat. I went with your mother to appease the shrine.
Nah, I sent you. Did I ask for your help?
I did it for you.
Nah, I don't like this kind of thing now. I will show you on this goat again, Nick. Which kind of goat be that one, safe? No problem, no one. We don't already stop now. So as you go be, no problem. But the matter now be say, I won't go junction. May I go junction, go see my friend Ify. She dey wait for me, eh? I'll come back. I'll see you soon.
Mama!
Don't fire you!
Sister Teresa, let's do something now.
Sister Teresa,
for her now. Mama!
Frank! Nabia, okay? Peace out.
Ndo.
God will punish you. Hey. Teresa, God will punish you. God will punish you.
It's okay. It's the pain. No, it's
Mama!
Same blood, you're the same old. Friends change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You're the same.
Eko.
Bia, kedu ke? Ezemo. So you get mind. My people carry goat come here. You get mind collect the goat from them. You dey meant? You know they fear me, Abi? No, you're not afraid of me. You're just hungry. You should have told me that you are hungry. Let me cook up a soup and bring for you. Nonsense, man. I wonder what kind of gods even choose a hungry man like you to serve them. Wait, now this stick they won't chop the goat. No, tell me who won't chop the goat now? Tell me say they hungry because maybe this thing what they see here won't chop this goat oh.
How dare you barge into my territory? Insult me, you!
What's no territory? What's in be territory? You call this a territory because of this white and red where you tie for here? You're not serious. In fact, I not come here to play with you or banter words with you. Where's the goat? I don't get much to say to you. Where that goat? Where the goat?
What do you think you're doing?
They craze for head. Go tell me say pepper soup they hungry you. You fit afford goat? They carry what you no fit afford. Oh yeah, follow me.
Huh?
Nonsense.
Hey! From this day, I curse you. shall have no peace in your life. You shall become more useless than uselessness itself.
Hungry bastard. Just say hunger dey catch am. Come shut up here. When you dey there, you dey cry. Nonsense. Can you go give that nonsense as a money in the name of God? Say person supposed to make money. Chop better pepper soup.
I will suffer the blindness of the stress. Tony. I will suffer the blindness.
No.
Now the craze for it. Where I go tie this goat? Now I need to tie this goat where my eye go dey see am.
Is this not a goat? Mama.
I send you make you buy goods. If una just make small money like this, and I go just dey misbehave anyhow. Nonsense. You see this goat, eh? Nobody dey carry am go any shrine. As a matter of fact, see this goat, I go use am make pepper soup. All of us go chop am.
Teresa, Mambo. Teresa, you will not kill me. Teresa, you will not kill me. I did not kill my mother. Neither did my mother kill her own mother. Yeah, Mama, how could that you will not kill me. You will not kill me.
They will not kill me.
Instead of you scolding your sister when you saw her pour pepper in your bucket of water and pour away the water, you allowed her to bathe with the water.
Now come on.
Mama,
she must sleep what she
carry the goat. We gave to Ezemo. Teresa again can meregi. Teresa mengigini. What did I do to you, Teresa? You will not give me.
Mama, give this way they talk. Leave this way they talk. You don't make sense. I go cook the goat. All of us will go chop am. It's better for us to chop am than that criminal. Who want chop the goat? No, who tell you say na the goat want chop the goat? Now don't stick waiting for the shrine want chop am. Now him and his son want use am do pepper soup chop, and you no go happen. Me, Teresa, I no go allow.
Teresa,
wetin happen?
Do you understand the implication of what you have done?
Exactly. Sister, what you've done is wrong. Huh?
Who they talk? Blind Bartimaeus. See, ma, I tell you, if others they talk, no, they open your mouth, they talk, they hear me. Mind your blind nature. Man, no enter you now. If not, I go make you go deaf. Mama, you get yellow pepper and scent leaf.
You got me here.
You
got me. Come. This girl has. She has.
Don't touch me, oh. This is for the betterment of the family. See, can't go. Better go to we go use cook pepper soup. You go full pot. So now one can go give that man. Nah, Go to we go try. Can give Ezemo. Maybe who want chop and don't stick with it for a shrine. Go chop am.
What is wrong with you? Teresa, what is wrong with you? Do you even think everyone is happy with what is at stake?
You dey shout for me?
Yes, I am shouting at you. I am. You are overdoing all of this, Teresa. You are. Teresa, I am just looking out for you.
No, Shebina, because of this goat, Abi. This goat where you buy. Now why they talk to me like this? No, now I get it. Don't worry, I get it. You know what will happen? I will return this goat. But you go day your day, I go day my day. You dey hear me, so make everybody day in day. Is that day in something?
Teresa, I am just trying to be here for you. I am just concerned about you.
Not be here for me anything. Say that this goat be the problem. I go return and you go day your day, I go day my day. I don't talk my own finish.
I don't mean it that way.
Come here, sister. Nonsense.
I am just trying to help. It is for your sake, Teresa.
You're the same old. Friends you change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You're the same love.
Mama, are you off to the market?
I don't understand. Now, do you want to pour your bad luck on us all?
Hi. And then, that is not true now. I was only asking Mama so I can wish her well to the market. Huh? Why are you saying that?
Teresa, you the berry. Every small thing, your mouth is moving up and down. Eh? You don't even have small pity for this poor boy. What is wrong with you?
Maka, see, I don't have time for your unnecessary pity speeches right now. Do you hear me? Mind yourself.
I beg you, shift. Go down, I beg.
And as for you, you're very lucky that Mama no longer sells akara along the road. Else, I would have sent you there to go and grind beans. I know, at least it will be useful now.
Can't it be possible in this house that for a whole day, full day, that won't be shouting and quarreling? Or no, you do possible? Or do people want me to buy super glue to close your mouth?
No.
Anthony, we are going to the shop. Take care of yourself. And as for your best wishes, I take it. You know, go? Take care of the house. Don't look for trouble. Anyway, I know you don't used to look for trouble. Your food is in the house.
Mama, that wish you are accepting are the very risky.
Because
all the very risky.
Teresa, bye-bye. Amaka, bye-bye. No, don't forget to buy me groundnut.
Be careful. Teresa, be careful.
Nah, my leg dey scratch me.
Just sat down 30 minutes ago and you're complaining about your leg. Teresa.
See, you know what's going to happen this day? Let me just go home. I want to go and wash. I'll be back. Oh, don't worry, I'll come back and mind the shop. Let me just go and shower. Ooh, I'll wash. Yeah? I'll come.
Same blood, you're the same old. Friends change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You're the same blood, you're the same, you're the same old. You're the same. Friends change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You cannot run away from your shadow. No need to fight each other. You are the same. You're the same blood. The same. You're the same blood.
Enya, wake up. My friend, get up, I beg.
Sister?
Every time you go, they pretend today useful to this family, but you're actually useless. You're very, very useless.
Sister, what did I do?
Oh, yeah, take. I won't wash clothes. Go fetch that for me for backyard. Take now, be useful. Take. See the bucket here. Take. Go fetch that one and wash clothes.
Sister, you know I cannot fetch water.
If I come out this your mouth, you cannot fetch water. No, you just want to be lying down. You just want to be useless. Eating only. Abi? No, tell me, what's the one carry you do for this family sake? You're just a waste product. A big burden to us. You're telling me you cannot. You don't want to be. Me personally, Teresa, I me go train you to get sense. I me go train you to be useful. You hear me? Oh yeah, get up. Brother, get up. Be a man. Your mate today for gym by now. They pull weight. Go fetch that for me. Don't waste my time, please. Very fast. I need to wash clothes.
Ifanya miracle na fu mwa polisi hebezina mwa polisi hebezina fijanya mirigi fijanya miru
Boy, ordinary water you don't feel fetch. Now stand up there, carry this thing, go fetch water, bed. Carry.
What is this now, Teresa? What?
Now see this Jew man, oh.
Kevin.
This small bucket of water, and I just fall out for
Why
you.
would you ask him to fetch water when you know you can't do this? Must you do this?
I don't understand. Spokesman, he's supposed to help for the house. They do small chores. Now blind the blind, oh, you know, not be death sentence be that.
Teresa, but you know you can't do this. You would have called me to come and fetch the water than you doing this to your old blood brother. It's not good. You keep doing this.
Shay, they whine me. Who you be? No, who invite you call for family matter? Who you be? Listen, if you want help, I know they can't careless, I beg.
I'd rather help my friend that will watch him suffering.
Help. For your mind, I be good person. You dey crazy.
Let me help him.
What if you want to? You want pour me this water? Guy, I go use your face, scrub this ground, mop this ground, finish. No. Two us work.
Don't mind her. She know your blood sister. Must she do this to you? She keep doing this.
Hey! They shout on my compound. They hear me, so if you want help person, you help person. No, they shout on my compound.
Is it not Amaka's voice I'm hearing? Amaka?
What is it? Ogini? K4?
I heard your voice. What are you doing?
I want to cook.
Oh, okay. Amaka, can I assist you?
Assist me? Have you helped yourself, Tony? And what makes you think you can be useful around here?
We are not quarreling now. I am only trying to help. As your brother, I'm only doing my part.
Your part is not enough. Other enough. See, you're a burden. A big burden. And everyone knows about it. Can you just leave me alone? Can you leave? Just leave here.
I was only asking to help you, nothing more. Okay, please, don't be offended. I will leave you.
You're trying to assist me. Go and assist yourself.
Anyway, I'm sorry.
Better leave here. I love me changing now. I love me changing.
What have I done? What have I done to deserve this pain and wickedness?
Listen, I don't just dislike you. I hate you. I detest you. In fact, anything more than hate, all of that. You are a curse. You are a bad luck to this family.
I never brought myself into this family.
Nah, shut up, Abeng.
I didn't choose this life for myself. God brought me into this family for a reason. Why do you guys treat me with pain? What have I done wrong?
Why do you sound as if you're the only one suffering in this house? You bring bad luck to this house. You make everybody around you suffer.
Exactly.
What is your problem?
Exactly, that's my point.
You know,
you reek of bad luck. Everything around you is negativity. Problems, you bring ill luck. Jeez.
I am not a cause. I am not a cause.
Aren't you pot calling kettle black?
Who be that?
Now you now. Are you not bad luck too? Are you better than Tony? I'm saying Tony is bad luck.
See this one, oh. See this cricket. Hey, you open your mouth, they insult me. You won't make I say I go mend you like this. I go
you not do anything. Like you not do anything. Stop making noise.
You know say you dey close to me. I don't want to commit murder. Oh.
Make that hand no touch me. Make that hand no just near me. Make that hand no just near me.
Let's allow love to reign in this house.
Nah, shut up your mouth, abeg. Wake up for that. What can I do? What they worry on herself? See this small rat. This
abeg go sit down.
They talk. See I go jump on two head together. All of them are bad luck. Now they craze. Even you say you be bad luck.
Teresa, Mama, don't you want to think about settling down? You don't want to marry.
Wow. Mother, do you want me to marry a poor man and suffer? What are you saying now?
It's not about who you marry, whether poor or rich. It's about finding love, finding a good partner. That is what that matters.
Mama, as you see me like this, I am destined for greatness. No, all you two day my head too short. I'm destined for greatness, okay? I'm gonna be wealthy and I won't marry a poor man. You think I can marry? I will marry anything. No, Mama, no be settled for you.
I know to I see where no. When you marry the whoever, you will be packing. He will be packing. Okay?
Mama, life not be like that, oh.
See, I am warning you, and I have warned you. Think of your future.
Nah, Mama, come go do down. Mama, listen, see, I will make money. I'll make money and I'll make you proud.
You will make money and you make me proud.
Mama, don't
Just
worry.
think of your future. That's the only thing I want you to do.
You see that future, Mama? You too bright, Jay. My future they muke. I tell you, no be lie, yo. Don't worry. Relax, Mom. I got you. I got you covered. Are they come, yeah? Peace, see you, bro. I'm coming.
Osim, bro. What's in bro? What's gonna wear man ya for? Konya wahiri.
Abattoir kuwasiadi Kobosi ifanya mirika nafu Mwa polisi Ebezina mwa polisi Ebezina Vijanya mirigi
Chineke mere m obi ebere, mere m obi ebere, mere m obi ebere o. Eze mere m. Who is that? Amaka?
What is it?
I'm here.
Say what you want to say and stop calling Ami. What is Ami?
There is something I said I was going to talk to you about.
Which is?
It concerns your conversation with Mama last night. I overheard everything about the youth money. Amaka, you were accusing Teresa wrongly. Yes. You know very well that Teresa will not do such a thing. She will never take what does not belong to her.
No, what? How would you know, Tony? You have always been blind to her flaws, literally and otherwise.
Amaka.
How will you know?
Amaka, I do not need eyes to know the truth. They say the truth can never be hidden. All we need is our sense. And I feel you are lacking that.
Do you know you just insulted me?
I am not trying to insult you.
Tony, that means I don't have sense.
I don't mean it.
I don't have sense now. You that have sense. What do you want me to do?
I don't mean it that way. I'm only trying to say that what you said about...
Mind your tongue. Mind your tongue. Respect yourself. Sense. Do you have sense? Do you have sense?
God, why was I born? Why did you bring me to this world? Why did you bring me to this world to suffer? Why? Who did I offend? Who did I wrong? This was never the life I wished for.
To change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You're the same love. You're the same. You're the same. You're the same. Friends to change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You cannot run away from your shadow. No need to fight each other. Oh, you are the same. You're the same love. The same. You're the same.
Enya, wake up.
My friend, get up, I beg.
Sister? Every time you go to pretend today useful to this family, but you're actually useless. You're very, very useless.
Sister, what did I do?
Oh yeah, take. I won't wash clothes. Go fetch that for me for backyard. Take now, be useful. Take. See the bucket here. Take.
Sister.
Go fetch that. I want use and wash clothes.
Sister, you know I cannot fetch water. Huh?
If I come out this your mouth, you cannot fetch water. No, you just want to be lying down. You just want to be useless, eating only. Abi? No, tell me, what's the one carry you do for this family? If you're just a waste product, a big burden to us. You're telling me you cannot. You don't want to be me personally. Teresa, I me go train you to get sense. I me go train you to be useful. You hear me? Or you get up. Brother, get up. Be a man. Your mate today for gym by now. They pull weight. Go and fetch that for me. Don't waste my time, please. Be very fast. I need to wash you.
Abatua kuwasiadi Kobosi ifanya mirika unafu Mwa polisi Hebezina mwa polisi Hebezina Vijanya miriki Vijanya miru Vijanya miru Vijanya polisi Hebezina mwa polisi Hebezina Vijanya miru Vijanya miru Hebezina Vijanya miru Vijanya miru Vijanya miru Mwa polisi Hebezina mwa polisi Hebezina Vijanya miru Vijanya miru Vijanya miru
Now see this Josie man, oh. What's the worry you this boy?
Ordinary water, you don't feel fetch. Now stand up there, carry this thing, go fetch water, bed. Carry.
What is this now? Teresa! What?
Now see this Jew man, oh. This small bucket of water, and I just fall for you.
Why would you ask him to fetch water when you know you can't do this? Must you do this?
I don't understand. Spokesman, he suppose they help for the house, they do small chores. Now blind the blind, oh, not be death sentence be that.
Teresa, but you know you can't do this. You would have called me to come and fetch the water than you doing this to your old blood brother. It's not good. You keep doing this.
Shey they whine me. Who you be? No, who invite you call for family matter? Who you be? Listen, if you want help, I know they cap careless, I beg.
I'd rather help my friend that will watch him suffering.
Help am. For your mind, now you be good person. You dey crazy.
Let me help him.
What if you want to? You want pour me this water? Guy, I go use your face, scrub this ground, mop this ground, finish. No. Two us work.
Don't mind her. She know your blood sister. Must she do this to you? She keep doing this.
Hey! They shout on my compound. They hear me so if you want help person, you help person. No, they shout on my compound.
What did I do? Why is everyone against me? My sisters, my lovely sisters who are meant to stand for me, why are they against me? Who did I offend? Because why is everyone against me? God of the poor, please, I beg you. I am tired. Just take my life. Take my life. I am tired. I do not want to cause anyone pain again. Nico. Take my life, please.
Nkiru,
Ma?
What happened to your face?
I had a little accident. Don't worry, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I want to go and see Teresa. Is she at home?
She's in the house.
Okay, Mama.
Oh, okay, you're just coming from the...
Yes, I came to see my family. I'll leave soon. Let me just hurry. I'm fine, Mama.
Chikwero, we get to the gift.
Enke. Enke.
Teresa.
Who did this to you?
Won't you welcome me first before asking all these questions? At least, find me a seat.
No, that one no matter now. Who taught you? What happened to you? Who do you this thing?
Teresa, it's a very long story.
Hey! So you don't want to talk who do you this thing? You don't want to talk who do? No, just tell me, make I know. I just want to get the knowledge. Who do you this thing?
Just at least offer me a seat to sit, okay? Please.
Okay. That is now human being design your face like this, oh.
You will not believe what I heard. Nkiru is back and she's a mess. A big mess. What happened to her? She's covered up with bruises like she's been through hell. Guy, her body is... Oh my God. You can't talk. If that is true,
No man will raise his hand on me and go court for
Nah,
Mama. Yemme the man. Yemme the man.
Oh God. We died that day. Is it that I die?
No,
or he died?
Imagine. Just like that.
NK, so you mean your husband did this to you?
Yes.
Ah! Now this man... But now this man disfigure your face like this. No, that man must collect now. Haba! No. He don't deserve to go scot-free like that. You go come up for that marriage, Joe. You see that marriage? You don't already come up for there.
I've heard you. I'm not going back.
Ha! It was I did there now, and that is a Pierre go like this with 2 by 2. Plank in head for him.
Calm down. It's okay.
Kata in teeth, men.
It's okay.
Nah, I know they like this kind of thing. Just see now. Sorry, no vex. You don't take medicine.
Yes, I took drugs.
You sure? Where in there? Where your husband? Where in there?
Why are you asking?
Mama, Teresa is something also. That girl is wicked. And I've said this before.
Amaka.
Mama.
Why do you always speak ill of your sister?
May speak ill of my sister, Mama. Mama, how can you raise someone like that? Always looking for who to fight with. Mama, other family used to train their family well. I don't understand this your own. Eh? Look what called.
Amaka. There's something wrong with you. All they making is you are talking of your sister, but your own is worse, Amaka. Abonoko Baka. Ochicha Mary Heberoke. You are reminding me of my life. Okuya. Was I not the only one that trained all of you? Did I not bring you up myself? Was your father there? I ask you. Was your father there to assist in your upbringing? Nunu gara secondary school or more. Primary or more. How old were you when your father died? Can you remember? Can you remember? I'm asking you.
Mama, we are not fighting. We are not fighting.
We are fighting. We are fighting because you are reminding me my past. You are reminding me my inabilities as a mother. Ochicha Mary Hobiro, okay? In a Koko Teresa man keki kanjo. Your own is worse. I don't want you to run me. All of you are the same. Teresa na anogo. Ngiwa bo ono panla.
I'm just advising you.
Advisor.
How did you train someone like that?
Advisor.
Mama, we are not fighting.
Be careful.
We are not fighting. We are not fighting.
In fact, give me a gel lupia.
Other families are
you're just
training 7 children.
Reminding me my past.
You are saying all these things, Mama. I don't like it.
I raised you well, oh. I raised Teresa well.
Mama,
it
you
is
did
the people
not.
that choose the life you want to live as you became adult. Oye nkuyali abono ko paka. Teresa welo na akubushinti mad. Ajo ndo everywhere.
The same blood, you're the same old. Friends change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You're the same.
Ami, Amaka, good afternoon. I was coming to your house. Please, is your sister around?
Which of them?
Ha, which of them as how? Teresa, of course. How many sisters do you have?
I'm Moninche Teresa. Am I high keeper? What is your problem?
Amaka. Why are you always like this?
The world we live in requires sharp teeth. I'm Moninche Teresa.
The same blood, you're the same old. Friends change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You're the same blood, you're the same, you're the same old. You're the same. Friends change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity.
You shall say you don't want to tell me the color of the sky.
Sister, no. It's something very important. Please, I won't take your time. Sister, do you hate me?
Ogbeni, don't flatter yourself. Hate is an understatement.
Sister, I live here too. I am a human being. And I breathe the same air.
That is the problem. You exist, yet it feels like you don't. You are failure. Bad luck. I hate you. Nonsense. Next time stop me again, I go use my hand, choke inside your blind eye.
It's well, my sister. What has happened has happened. You no question God.
I've left everything for God. He alone knows best.
He alone knows best, my sister. But you see that man, to never be well with him.
Amen.
You no go better for him.
Amen. Just look at what he did to my face.
Chai. It's still paining you.
Yes, it's still paining me.
Oh, Chai. You just look at fine face. Sorry, my sister.
I've left everything for God.
Sorry.
Who is here?
Oh, yeah?
Knock, knock. Who is selling? Good afternoon, ma.
Afurange.
Ma, please, how much is this one?
Don't you know how to read?
I don't understand.
My children tagged everything in this shop, even as small as this sweet in my hand. Check the pack, you see how much is there.
Madam, please talk to me with respect.
What will I be for? Kokwanka. I should talk to you with respect. Okay, give me one.
I will not buy things from you again.
I will not buy things from me again. Because of something of 600 naira I want to buy. You should leave. Mad people everywhere.
Now, wow. Hey, see your face. When I heard it, I said, let me see you face to face before I conclude. Kai, that time we were telling you not to marry. We thought we were jealous of you. You see your life.
Amaka, how was I supposed to know? What I planned wasn't what I saw.
Hey,
it's not my fault.
Chai. Hi, that guy is very wicked though. He's very, very wicked. But for the fact that I'm sympathizing with you, you will give me back that Ashebi money. Ashebi clothes. You will give me back.
Amaka, please stop. You're not serious.
You thought I'm joking? You are who is laughing. Which one is I'm not serious? I beg you, go give me back that money.
Amaka, please stop all these things.
I am not joking with you. I'm not joking. You will give me back that money. It's my money. Amaka, you will give it to me.
Amaka, I'm in pain.
What's my business with your pain? Give me back that money. That should be close. You must give me back the money.
I understand.
You know how much I spent?
Are you serious?
Man, you give it. What's come? Am I serious?
But it was not my fault that the marriage ended now.
Okay, go to Basaziem. How is it my business?
Okay, you're supposed to be sympathizing
madam,
with me.
Go and bring that money. I need the money.
You're not serious, Amaka. You can't be serious.
Do you think I'm joking? Am I playing with you? I better go and get that money. Okay, come on, don't touch me. Give me back that money. I may change the here. Give me back the money.
So, tell me, how do you people cope in this village without electricity? I mean, it's kind of awkward.
Frank, don't sound as if there is no light. When you know that maybe because the light does not last long.
What difference does it make? No light and having light for just 1 hour out of 24 hours. You know I am not from a so poor background and I should be used to that kind of lifestyle. I need constant electricity. That's how it works.
Frank. So why have you not gone back to the city?
Don't tell me it's what I'm thinking about. It is exactly what you are thinking about.
Frank. So you were still in this village because of Teresa? I'm so surprised that you guys are dating now. I never saw that coming.
Yes, I told you. You doubted me. And now this is the end result. And I am so happy that it is you who is confessing that I am dating Teresa now. You see, although currently we have a little misunderstanding, but trust me, we are going to fix it amicably shortly. And once we are done with that, the next message you will get from me and Teresa is marriage.
Congratulations, my guy.
Thank you.
You know, sometimes I'm scared of you because the way you maneuver in this community. I should just heal you and call you Papa for the girls.
How?
Okay, you know.
This one no game is you. Kind nonsense this one.
You hear what I know? Where does sound come from?
Now this side though. Now this side they do.
Leave me alone. Leave me. I'm not doing it again. Leave me. I'm not doing it again.
We don't start when you know.
Leave me alone. Leave me.
Give me a point now.
Leave me alone. Leave me. I'm not doing it again. Leave me alone. Come here. Hey, madam. Why you dey run?
My sister, the warrior, the champion, the conqueror, the teacher.
I know they like oppression.
No, you too much.
I can't for the
You
oppression.
too much.
Justice.
Hey.
Imagine that nonsense boy. In fact, that boy deserves worse. That boy is very stupid. See the way you just beat that girl for nonsense relationship.
My sister, love that comes with slap and swallow. I hear the girl now.
Very toxic. Hi. Nah, that boy get locked. I don't use my single bone. It's like for do a man.
My sister, he be even in the bosky. By horse.
Nah, you pay me.
Hey, sister, I throw it. In fact, I come on cap for you. You too much.
Hey, you know why I forgive a confusion victim like this.
Sister, I tell you.
He head for scatter.
Hey, my sister, the fighter, they don't. Hey.
That no me say me and you na make to.
Which kind talk be that one? Which kind talk be that one? You won't spoil my mood be that?
Me and you na mate before.
You where they wear my pants? Where they wear my brocos?
You say what?
You they wear my pants and my brocos?
Come here. Which waist? No, look your waist. See my own waist.
I know they like this kind.
Me and you who go wear each other pants?
I know they like the one for your hand like this, so I know they like them.
Nah, I don't. If not be one thing, nah.
Kelvin, you know you're my best friend. I am tired staying alone in my house. My family are a tone to my flesh. Please, can you come and stay with me? Yes, even if it's just for a few weeks. Biko, let me see someone I can be talking to.
I don't mind at all, Tony. In as much as my parents are comfortable with it. I will gladly do it. What are friends for?
Please talk to your parents. Just seek permission. Even if it's 1 week, I am okay with it.
I will let you know.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
What are friends for?
Teresa,
Ma?
for the past week you have been the one in the shop. Oh, so you can't work at
Wow. Appreciation no dey again, no. It's alright.
What do you mean by appreciation? Is this then up to what? Can you even cook 2 pots of soup? Anna Majuki Teresa, can you cook 2 pots of of soup.
Mama, make
if I remove capital, where is the profit in it?
Mama, see me clear you, eh? If not with the grace and the oil within my head, you know we even see this 1,000 self, you know, see you. No, I did tell you that your grace make you see this one, no. When you try to appreciate.
Do you know your problem? You don't have sense. You know no sense. Sense I no give you see. You don't have sense.
Mama,
you don't have sense. You think business is charity organization. Is it what you think? Madam Crazy Seller.
Come, mind your mouth, oh. Small pin charger, mind your mouth, oh.
You big pin charger.
Mama, hey, Jesus Christ, when I help me, oh. Mama, talk to her, oh. Mama, I will squeeze her, oh. Not pray her, oh.
Not be pere.
Mama, say you will not talk. She's there insulting me.
Mama, if I'm the one in that shop, I would have made up to 1 million sales. Nyam gere na that shop, he will even congratulate me.
Lele.
Just 1 week to take care of shop. You just see 20,000. It's not even up to 20,000.
You
let me touch this money.
1 million guinea. You don't even know your left from your right. You don't even know any angle at all. See you are mad.
Me, I'm mad. You are stupid.
See, eh?
You are stupid.
Wait,
my pants will not lose.
Do you know why I'm keeping quiet for you? You're too small for me to handle. Like if the obere, you're too small.
Mama, come oh.
People why they touch.
Come oh.
Mama. Biko. Onwe iye chori yoge. There is something I want to beg you.
I'm all ears.
Please. I want you to allow Kevin to come and stay with us. I am tired staying alone. I am tired of being lonely. Please, let him come and stay with us for some time. Biko.
Tell your sisters, if they approve of it, so bad.
Tell my sisters. Just like that.
It's no longer be Chiquita her complain. I don't want anybody to complain first. So if they approve of it, so what?
If I were you, Amaka, I would have stopped talking to Teresa long ago.
And you think I haven't done that? Eh? That girl that has coconut head. Always thinking she's better than everyone. Sandra, see, I don't know what I've done to her. Eh? Just that my mother always sent her to shop. She thinks she's better than me. Can you imagine that nonsense?
But to be honest with you, Teresa does not deserve the kindness you give to her at all. Always carrying her shoulder high like one governor's daughter.
Leave it for me. I will treat her. I will treat her for God.
Please do.
You know me now.
Please do. So she will know her level. What the hell?
Imagine.
Teresa, I've been worried this period.
Worried about what?
I want to write jam this year. I've been saving small money for my grinding business.
Issy, you want to write what? Jam. With whose money? Bia, is your mother not still doing tomato business?
She's still doing the business, but she said she will try.
Ha! Wanka. So you want to stress that woman? No, you want to kill her before her time. Make she go begin to stress herself. You think they pluck money from trees?
Teresa, I just wanted to try now. I've been staying at home all this while and I'm tired.
Now go and hustle, my friend. Go and hustle. Go and hustle instead of stressing that woman for something that you're not even ready for yet. Now hustle. You be woman, be strong and hustle. Guinea will jam. You want to write jam and start looking for money to go to university. It isn't a small money. No, you think it's granite money. They whine.
Are you not supposed to encourage me?
This is what I am encouraging you for. Go and make money. Hustle. Hustle and make money, not school. What is it? Yeah? Enya, what are you doing here? You know, I don't know why you just don't want to be useful. You're not just useful in any way at all. If you were useful now, those butters at the back here would have filled it up with water. But no, Bob, like, you go just sit down here, carry stick, they do like Mbawu. Eh?
Oh, sister, you know I can't.
Teresa, you know he can't fetch water because he can't see. Rather, let me do it for him.
Lawyer Mama.
Thank you.
Anyways, what are friends for? Good for you. That's how good friends behave. You only just sit there and be doing fine boy with coily hair. Also.
Tony, let me fetch the water for you.
Thank you very much. Okay. God bless you.
Ogini, Nganata Squanata. What is it?
Thank God you are back. Your daughter just beat up the sacred masquerade. Teresa.
Teresa did what?
Beat up the sacred masquerade.
My own sister?
Yes.
No, nah. Mama. Hey.
As I'm talking to you, they are still there.
Begodi, I want to understand. What kind of serious joke are you bringing to my house?
You're saying I'm joking?
How can you say my daughter beat up the sacred masquerade?
Okay. The men can be asking questions. It's still happening.
Wait, Jagodi, Kelechi! How can Teresa be beating the sacred masquerade? Hey! Teresa! Teresa!
You see this your Indagoski don't fail. This is Indagoski phone. You don't fail.
Teresa.
Teresa, come. I go drink for that drop cup for Nato. What's happening?
Teresa, have you finally come now? Why on earth will you beat the masquerade of this community?
Oh, that one. That useless thing. Eh? Why you go beat Kevin like that? He get locked set a day in a good mood. The way I for wogo in face, eh? You see that masquerade when he be, you go for another profession.
So Teresa, you want to kill everybody in this house? Yeah, you want to kill my mother for me? Can you hear your problem? What is your problem?
The defender of the defenseless. Teresa. Masquerade or no masquerade? Teresa, learn to respect yourself. Learn to control yourself, Teresa.
Nah, Mama, I stand for justice. I stand for justice. Anybody where Zeus will go collect. That one na normal. That one na anthem be that. Hey! And as for you, small pin charger, okay. I just they look you. The day I go.
I beg you shift to Jare, shift to Biko.
I'm seeing you. I'm not your mate. Don't touch my daughter. Sit down there. Oh, you beat us today.
Now you are forming warrior, Teresa. You are forming warrior.
Teresa, learn to control yourself. Learn it, for it is the tradition of our community. Masquerade is our tradition.
Which kind of dirty tradition be that? No, tradition where they encourage people to they maltreat another people. Eh? Tradition where they make people they feel oppressed. Which kind of tradition be that one? Me I go abolish am. They whine.
Yeah, you are forming warrior. You are forming warrior. Masquerade elders in this village fear. That is what you dragged on the ground. In Atokujo.
Ogbeni, ma I clear you.
Not the tell me Ogbeni.
Shut up your mouth before I go disfigure your face for you. They craze. You know your mates. See, ma I tell you. Masquerade or no masquerade, even if na spirit or the gods, I go change that for anybody wey fuck up. Everybody got to respect themselves. If you be spirit, respect yourself. Behave well, cause Teresa no dey fear anybody. You dey hear me so? I no dey look with your face.
Hey!
Hey!
See
this your pikin, eh?
This my sister. You don't touch me, oh. Don't touch me, oh.
You see, say, I don't even know where I want even touch you for.
Where you want touch?
Because if I touch you,
where you want touch?
Crumbs, they no go see.
Which crumbs? I saw crumbs. Crumbs again.
You too small.
Where did you learn that one?
You know rich people.
You go school.
You
I say crumbs because shift to
you
inside.
Know. If you get mine.
Don't touch me, oh.
Kelvin, tell me the truth. Are you sure my sister did not overdo something? Are you sure?
Your sister did not overdo anything. She only defended me.
Ha! I heard that masquerade is a sacred one. So please, if there's anything she did, tell me now. Let me know. Ha.
Sacred or not sacred, they are not supposed to be attacking innocent people like us. Most especially someone like me or you.
Kelvin, see, I understand what you're saying. And I also understand how you feel. Just imagine it. What if you had not raised your voice? Who knows? Nothing would have been worse.
If not for Teresa, your sister. Teresa really fought for me. Oh.
I go on.
Hey. But Tony, if the gods are truly wise, why can't they control their masquerade? Instead of all those troubles.
Remember, the gods are also the masquerade. Let's just take it that the gods sent my sister to save you.
If only you were there to see how they humiliated me. That masquerade is so evil.
So sorry about that.
I still can't believe it. Teresa, fighting a masquerade.
She's finished. This time, her body will calm down.
Even the elders called emergency meeting because she disputed in shrine. Now she's done another one.
It's good though. It's good for her. Maybe this time she'll be taught a lesson. She thinks stubbornness is bravery. Like Remiano.
What does she even think before she asks?
How is it your business? Keko si basagi. Obasaragi.
Who this girl is your sister?
Our sister, is it your sister?
But she's your sister now.
Come on.
Which kind of sister you be, safe?
Sister Amaka, don't allow anger to eat you up.
Better anger than shame.
I understand. But we cannot continue to blame Sister Teresa. She was only defending Kelvin. Pico.
Just look at you. Is Kevin's life worth dying for? Is it worth fighting for?
I didn't say so. But you know the kind of sister we have. She's a very kind person. She's soft-hearted.
And that heart will kill us one day.
No, Sister Biko. Let's not pray for such. Let us not pray for such. She's our sister. Whatever she has done was only to protect Kevin. Biko.
Her heart will kill us one day.
No, sister. You can't say that. Please. Sit and calm down.
I should sit. Nke ogbo na ogbo. Nke ogbo na ogbo no. Nya amala gi na egwu. I should sit. Better respect yourself. And ask me I should sit down.
Chimekwena, calm down.
Chimekwela Keda. Ida go already. You are failed already. Or same Chimekwela Keda. Nonsense.
Chimekwena, calm down. Abumu nke biyo.
Why do you speak with so much bitterness, Amaka?
Mama, what should I speak? What should I speak? Should I sing praises songs?
Mom, no matter what, Obala bokwa no Obala. Blood is blood.
Mama, blood can be poison too. And poison must be spattered before it kills. The poison before it kills all of us. So.
I don't know where you're getting this your illustration from. But all I know is that blood is blood. Obala, Obala.
I keep saying my name. Hey. Small Obala.
What wrong have I done that I give birth to you people?
Mama, you have to make peace in this house. There is no peace.
I've done my best.
Then talk to Teresa. Talk to her.
I will also talk to you.
Mama, talk to her.
Amaka, I heard your house is on fire.
Let it burn. Some roofs deserve to fall.
This is not nice at all. Because the elders are summoned for a meeting concerning her case. Let's play. The judgment favors her.
Since she decided to be like that, whichever way the elders pass their judgment, let her bear it. Let her bear it.
Oh well. No problem. See you.
Okay.
Amaka, what's spreading? The elders are not happy with your sister.
Their anger is overdue.
She will not carry your family name to the grave.
If she does, I will dance on the ashes.
Amaka, when will you change?
You trust me now, you know me.
Same blood, you're the same old. Friends you change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You're the same blood, you're the same.
Amaka, I was coming to your house. To do what? What are you coming to my house to do?
I've checked her in your shop, but
she's not around. Can you go back? Ngwa, you have greeted her. Go back.
I don't know why you always like this. Are we quarreling then?
I think you should go back.
Sometimes you just calm down and answer me. You be human being, you know. I don't want to insult you. Sorry. Sorry. Please now.
Teresa is here. Come and collect it. She's there.
Amaka. She always like this. Amaka, wait first.
Your heart is heavy with anger, my daughter.
Anger is better than shame.
Do you seek justice or vengeance?
Whichever way brings peace.
Okay. Then you wait. Wait and watch. And you will see how the gods reward this stubborn heart. Wait and see.
Don't even think of supporting that useless girl that calls herself my sister.
Amaka. But you see your sister now, you see your family. Yes now.
That one that wants to bring disgrace to my family. Make sure she pays for fighting the masquerade. Make sure you do that.
Well, the elders should decide. I'm only a youth leader.
But you can do it now. You can decide.
Excuse me.
My brother, you see,
I stand on what her sister Amaka told me. Yes. Let her face the consequences of her action.
Abi?
Yes.
But she claims she was defending Kevin.
Defending? How? Eh? Where does a woman defend a man by fighting a masquerade? It doesn't make sense. See, if you let her go scot-free this time, the next time, believe me, she will slap the chief priest himself.
Her action was not good at all. Well, we wait until our elders decide.
Okay, if you say so.
So where are you heading to?
You know now.
As
usual. My brother.
Boss, if you pregnant that girl, you go marry her.
Hey, it's not a bad thing.
I don't tell you finish.
I will marry her.
Okay.
It's not a bad thing. Amaka, how are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm coming to your house, so I said let me come and see you. You know you're my friend. I want us to discuss something.
What could that be?
I want you to push that matter.
You mean the...
Yes, I want you to push it. I want the elders to punish Teresa.
Okay, your sister?
Yes.
For the issue, ba? In the...
Bam, can you help me and do it?
Of course. Trust me. But you know you have to do something.
You like money.
Who doesn't like money? If not for money, what am I working for?
As long as you help me and do this thing, do it. Push the matter. Push here. I came prepared.
All this was for me? All this...
Hey, more is coming. More.
That's if I make it happen.
Do it.
Trust me. What I will do,
No.
I will make sure it happens. Trust me.
It's more mad.
You know what? Let me run along. I will see you later.
Okay. No problem.
Amaka.
Don't tell anybody.
No.
You did not see me.
My mouth is...
I did not see you. No. Kele. Ezibo mado. Hi. Nonsense girl. She want to frustrate me. She want to frustrate me and my mother.
Same blood, you're the same old. Friends change, lovers leave, sisters.
Wait, now stop running. Why are you running? Why are you running? Seriously, they run like chicken.
Oh.
Because of a masquerade.
You know, I am not from a village. I don't know what will happen if I stood there.
Nothing dey happen, forget that thing. You will be man. Since the way you just to a man, woman will follow you still there. You don't leave me. I say, okay, me and you who go protect each other now. You just leave me alone. That's not nice. You know what will happen, eh? Your name is supposed to be Teresa, while my name will be Frank.
I beg, forget that.
I am the man right now.
Forget that thing. Forget it. God.
Breathe well. Calm down.
Kevin, don't let anybody deceive you. Teresa did not fight for you. She only fought for her own pride. I'm not coming here with this thing.
Amaka, I know what I'm saying though. Teresa saved me for real.
Save you how?
I don't deny that fact though.
For how? When did she do that one? Stop deceiving yourself.
I wish you were there. Wait, is it not your own blood sister you are saying something like this against? Your own blood sister.
Oga, if the elders ask you, tell them she did not fight for you. Tell them she did not fight for you, Onyala.
Life na per head.
Per head? What is wrong with this boy? Someone that I want to help. Well, I'll still meet other people. I need to meet other people.
Good day, Madam Vero. I bring a message from the elders. Your daughter Teresa has committed a taboo in our land. And she should bring 10 tubers of yam, full basket of kola nuts, and 2 big goats for spiritual cleansing and appeasement.
And 3 white cock. 3 white cock.
Did you hear them?
Mama, hey.
It's not finished though. She has 3 days. 3 good days to bring it to our meeting place. If not, anything she sees, take.
Please, bring a buyer to buy this house. Because where will I raise that kind of amount of money from?
No, we have delivered our message.
Yes.
Mama, did you hear them?
It's confusing. Oh. Hey.
Where are we going to get that kind of money from?
Mama, Teresa will pay.
Where will she pay from? I beg go get she will take here. Wait, 3 tubers of yam. 1 full, I said 10. Yes, that is what they say. 10 tubers of yam. 1 full basket of kola nut. Small things. Full basket.
Yes.
Then 2 big goats. And white. 3 white.
She can do it. She can pay.
I beg go get she will take the
Can you imagine what they asked me to bring? How can I get all of that?
Look, you don't have to worry, huh? Teresa, I am going to get it for you. I'll support you.
You will?
Yes, I will.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Aha, lest I forget. My twin sister will be visiting, so once she comes, the both of us will come to your house and see you and your people.
Your twin?
Yes.
So, you're a twin? You have a twin?
Of course I do.
Wow. Do you guys look alike? Is he identical or...
Don't worry about that. You're going to see us.
You know, I love twins. I would like to have twins in the future.
That's why I'm here.
I see.
Yes. So give me a chance. Let me give you twins.
Teresa, please beware of your sister, Amaka. She has been spoiling your name around this village. I don't even know what she's up to. She even told me not to tell the elders that he fought for me. Did the people have any issue?
You know, I have been suspecting this. But it's okay. Thank you for telling me.
Oh, your old self, Stisha. May you still calm down.
Amaka. That small pin charger, they try me, sha. Man, so bad, no wala, shall see. Mama, what are you trying to say?
Amaka, what I am trying to say is that I don't know why you hate your sister this much. Can you tell me why you hate her this much? Amaka. And you have the effrontery to call me for a meeting again over your sister's matter.
Then let her change her ways.
Change her ways, you say, Amaka. Is she changing her way? Have you changed your own way, Amaka? First of all, change your own way. And let the change be obvious on you. Then when I have seen it very obvious on you, I will not talk to Teresa to change her own way. I will know, in fact, I will know how to go around Teresa changing her way. It is a whoop mad head and I am a whoop bank again. See, Apokona mood meeting also. I've told you. Apokona me also.
Same blood, you're the same old. Friends change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You're the same blood, you're the same, you're the same old. You're the same. Friends change, lovers leave, sisters.
Nem, I want to ask you something. Why is Amaka always angry?
Hurt people do more damage. They cause more damages that one can never imagine.
I know. And it is too much on Amaka. She is always screaming and shouting at Teresa, which is not right. Teresa is our elder sister. Mama, do you know that she even went ahead to manipulate my friend Kelvin? Imagine, I can feel that Amaka is not happy. She's in pains. I can feel it, I know it. Mama, please, I want you to talk to her. Pico.
Tony.
Mama.
Have I not been talking? Even to you, Tony, have I not been talking? Which other way should I talk? That my voice could be heard. Eh?
Rapping some more, allow peace to reign.
Franco! Come in. Fine girl.
Oh.
Yeah, you're fine.
What a beautiful trip we had to say first last year.
Come in. Okay. Sorry. And why you go fall like this now? What's going to happen? Two of them just fall for going at once. So I'm not sorry. Stand up. What's it going to fall on her like this now? Eh? Mama can't fall like say on the bag of beans. Sorry. Sorry. No worry. We'll go inside and go. Give on ourselves. Are you? What did happen now? Are you okay?
Yes.
What is wrong?
I am.
What happened? Frank, wait now. I'm going to talk him now. What happened? Just go like. What happened for here just now? Why did you fall like that?
Aka Giovanni Memma Alwe Bubeya Kenegurine Baino Isi Kendo Enado. Ai! Ai! Ah! Ai! 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 I can see!
Samoku, Magamere allow peace to reign.
Mama, I can't see. My eyes.
Must you people keep playing pranks?
Mama, I can't see. Mama, I cannot see. I can't see.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
My
I cannot see.
Chigodiri. Amaka, wait now, wait.
Mama, I cannot see. I can't see you.
Amaka, are you not seeing me?
Mama, I cannot see. I can't see.
Amaka.
Mama, I cannot see.
Can you see my hand?
I can't see.
You cannot see my hand?
I cannot.
What
are you saying? I can't see.
Amaka, wait, Goody, wait. Wait, na prank sinka kalizim. Wait,
I
you cannot see me.
I can't see.
You cannot see me, Amaka.
I cannot see.
You can't be handing the Amaka.
Mama,
come and help.
Mama, I can't
Mama,
see.
see me that
from.
You don't see me.
Rapping some more blue. My girl, we're a bitch in your jail.
Oh! Okay, check inside, inside. Look at it. Oh.
Sandra, you've not heard.
Heard about what?
Hey, are you not in this village?
I'm in the village now. What happened?
Don't tell me you've not heard.
Heard about what now?
Amaka is blind.
It's a lie. When did this happen? Like, how?
I don't like all these questions you're asking me.
Answer me now.
For you to tell me that you don't know that Amaka is blind.
I don't know now.
See, I don't think I have time for all these things. I'm headed to their compound now.
When did all... Wait first, wait, let me follow you.
What is really going on? The first day Frank and Francis returned, there was a heavy force that threw them down. Tony regained his sight, and now Amaka is blind. Now what is really happening? What is happening to this family? What's in the soul?
Chimebekino. Where are you? Where are you? My God, where are you?
Let peace reign. Rapping some more blue. My girl, we're a bitch in your jail. Allow peace to reign.
How far? But are you alright? It's me now, Kevin. Are you alright? Why are you looking at me like that?
Do I know you?
Excuse me? Are you sick or something? Now me now, Kevin, what do you mean by if you know me? I don't understand. Now me they carry you waka for this village, huh? Tony, is this you? I don't want... Tony! Tony, what now?
is there? Who is there? Tony. Tony. Who is there? Who is there? Who is there?
Abatua kuwasiadi Kobosi ifanya mirika unafu Mwa polisi Ebezina mwa polisi Ebezina Vijanya mirigi
Tony. Tony. Tony, are you okay? Tony, are you okay? Tony, are you okay? Huh?
Lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You're the same love. You're the same. You're the same. You're the same. Friends change. Lovers leave, sisters, eternity.
Tony, what's in the shop now? Why is they appear like spirit? Which time when you take they appear, they disappear, you be ghost? Mind yourself, oh. If not, I go change them for you now. Tony! Tony! Guy, calm down, you never reach like that.
Let peace reign. Rap in some oku. Magamere beji oje. Allow peace to reign. Amere beji.
Teresa. Don't tell me you're still worried.
Nah, I don't tire. I don't know what I go call this thing. I just don't know what to make of it. I'm so confused. Oh!
See, I know someone who can be of help. Isia.
Isia?
Yes, Isia. Someone who sees beyond what ordinary people can. Okay? Maybe he would tell us the reason behind this darkness and put a stop to it. Don't tell me I'm thinking.
Okriki kana buko sana ari elu. Ina someone uchengari mebo safe room. Hello. Abomination. What has been following this family is rooted deep within. It was planted many years ago and has come to harvest its due. Did I arrow point at you, Veronica? Me? Yes.
How?
You may not remember, but let me refresh your memory.
Flash out.
My sister, my wife lost her womb after the accident. And the doctor said that she will never have children again. What will I do now?
Brother, just be calm. Everything will fall in place. I will find a way. Okay, brother? Please, calm.
You will find the way.
I will. I'll do my best. I'll find a way.
You don't know what is happening to my wife now. As I'm talking to you, she's in the house crying. I don't even know what to do. I don't even know what to tell her.
I'll find a way, like I said. Don't worry. Is there anyone, anything that can help my brother now?
There is, but there is nothing without a price. There is a deity deep in the forest.
Take me there, please.
Are you sure you're ready for this?
I'm ready. Anything to save my family.
Are you sure?
Now, let's go. Please, let's go.
Okay, we'll go
Later? Yes. Can't we go now?
Let's go now, please. Okay, let's go.
What do you seek?
Bless my brother with a child.
And what will you offer in return?
Every year, as long as the child lives, I'll bring you fowl and 2 bags of yam.
And if you ever forget?
Then take my unborn child.
I will not take her, because she will be your first fruit. Instead, I will pass through your yet unborn son and unleash upon your family.
Okay. I agree.
My sister. Hey. My wife is pregnant. God has done it for me.
Thank the God so. Please, people not laugh at us again. I'm happy. Oh.
Hey, thank you, my sister. Our God is too much. But you said it. How did you do it?
Me? I did not do anything, no. I just told you that you should be calm. That will take care of it.
Hey, thank you, my sister. I'm happy now.
It's okay, bro. You're a man. You're a man.
Thank you. Thank you.
After that accident, you lost your memory. And your brother, whom you never got in contact with, became a father of twins. You forgot the vow. And the deity struck him dead. Along the line, the wife had a heart attack and she died. Although he was wealthy, very wealthy, but he couldn't have a chance to come back and say thank you. Year after years, the deity waited, but you forgot to fulfill your promise.
Let peace reign, rapping some more.
The deity struck first your husband after your son's birth. Then Tony, your son, became blind, and it will continue unless the covenant is repaired.
This is beyond anything I ever imagined.
And now, the question remains,
Will you fulfill the vow? Or will you watch as destruction consumes you all?
Let peace reign. Rap in some more. Magamere beji oje. Allow peace to reign. Amwere beji sobo. Amwere neje. You're the same blood. You're the same.
I say one. Just as you foresaw. I forgot. Please, what do I do? What do we do to appease the deity?
Ezewine, in all that you have said, none has a connection between my sister and I. And I am curious as to why the force would push us to the ground the day we visited. It is not as though that was my first time of visiting.
It was because it recognized blood, and your father's name is Donald.
Excuse me? How did you know our father?
He died years ago in his sleep. Veronica, these are the children given to your brother by the deity.
What?
She is your father's sister.
Huh?
The day you both step your foot here, there was a recognition of an old forgotten vow which triggered the deity to possess Tony, and his blindness befell Amaka.
Hey! No. Hey! No. Not Frank. No. He can't be Frank. He can't be my brother.
It's unbelievable.
Teresa, can you stop this? Why, please, what's the way forward?
There is a way, but it will cost you all much.
Hey! 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 Oh, yeah, to Padumo!
Friends change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You're the same love. You're the same. You're the same. You're the same. Friends change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You cannot run away from your shadow. No need to fight each other. Oh, you are the same. You're the same love. The same. You're the same. The same. Friends change, lovers leave, sisters
So,
are the same. You're the same.
all this while, I was in love with my own sister.
I loved you too, Frank. I really did love you. But fate has a way of playing with us. We can't fight destiny, you know. No matter how it hurts.
But now you and your sister forever. You're the same. You're the same. Friends change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You're the same blood, you're the same oil. Friends you change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You're the same blood, you're the same, you're the same oil.
The seer said we need to get a cow before Amaka can regain her sight.
I will buy the car.
I will. Hey, this boom, mother. Thank you so much. Thank you. God will bless you.
Amen.
It's okay, my brother.
I was just thinking how we are going to raise the money.
Don't worry about it.
Thank you.
I'll buy it.
Hey.
Thank you to Queen. Well, since I'm going to the city, we can all go together.
Away. Mama?
If all of you want to go to the city, me, who will sell my provision stuff on me? I will always say that stuff.
No problem, I will stay with you.
You better join them.
I should join them.
I will stay alone.
I'll leave you here alone.
I can manage.
Well, now they talk on our own. As you see me like this, I don't mount city already. Like I mount full ground. Like they gonna say Teresa don't show. Hey!
Now, Rokembe. See your body. You have been dreaming of city, wealthy, rich man.
Mama, how I reach that city? Even the city self go feel am. Say I don't land. And anybody where zoo go collect.
Don't worry, yeah? You will follow me to the city.
Yo, bro.
You will follow us to the city.
Yo.
You are now a city girl.
City babe, confirm.
Chai.
And Tony.
Yes.
You will have to come to the city with us.
Huh?
Yes, you should.
Mama?
Go now.
I think I should come to the city.
Of course, you're going to go now.
If we finish the ritual and I regain my sight, then we'll all go to the city.
Yeah, you will come.
You will come to the city.
You like this now, you will not follow me and go and look for my trouble. You need to look for my trouble.
Kwanike. Teresa Zokwanike.
Even she says, Amaka used to look for my trouble. You follow me go that city now, go Yandos now. So I go do you for them.
Teresa Zokwanike, city girl.
Thank you very much. May God continue to bless you. Thank you.
What are brothers for?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You deserve a better life. Yes, and you get that in the city.
Thank you so much.
Chekwaluno. Even if, like, after I am gone, don't forget this sacrifice.
Mama, Chukokike don't cover us. Now God we know. Bros J now we know. Bros J go cover us. Nothing they solve.
You're the same blood, you're the same oil. Friends you change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You're the same blood, you're the same, you're the same oil. You're the same. Friends you change, lovers leave, sisters, eternity. You cannot run away from your shadow. No need to fight each other. You are the same. You're the same blood. You're the same oil. Friends change, lovers live, sisters, eternity. Sisters, eternity. Friends come and go, but you and your sister are together forever. You're the same blood. You're the same oil. Friends change, lovers live, sisters, eternity. You're the same blood, you're the same war. Friends change, lovers live, but now you and your sister forever. You're the same blood, you're the same war. Friends change. lovers live, sisters, eternity. Let peace reign, wrap in some more wool, allow peace to reign. You're the same blood, you're the same old, you're the same. Friends change, lovers live, sisters, eternity. You can't run away from your shadow, no need to fight each other. Oh, you are the same, you're the same blood, the same. You're the same old, friends change, lovers live, sisters, eternity. Sisters, eternity. Friends come and go, but you and your sister are together forever. You're the same blood, you're the same old. Friends change, lovers live, sisters, eternity. You're the same blood, you're the same old. Friends change, lovers live, but now you and your sister forever. You're the same blood, you're the same old. Friends change, lovers live, sisters,